lot of why nots today.
Chick says hi, Vloggy, by the way.
Who?
Chick, actually. She is, or I think she's a she, hopefully. She says hi. She's on my stream right now, and she's...
Hello.
Saying hello.
Hello. Hello. Alright, let me just play some music. NCS music. If you type in NCS music, you can play some music in the background. And, you know, you're not gonna worry that it's copyrighted or anything like that, you know?
No.
Alright, so we're live. And, yeah. Let me just bring up chat, because I didn't. There it is. Oh, hey, Burning One, welcome. Alright, so, you were saying about the house. What about this house, anyway? Who built this?
True.
Drew built this. He came back.
Yes.
Oh,
he
no.
came on.
Holy ugly. I made him a nice pen so he doesn't build this atrocity.
And shots, yeah. Ruined my house, and my house far away from you guys.
Oh, man.
Yeah, he wasn't kidding.
What, sorry?
He wasn't kidding.
He wasn't kidding, what?
House, out of our redstone.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, so, it's not even a house. It's not even a house, it's just a box.
I was like, what?
It's just a box. Oh man. Anyway, I have been feeling inspired. That's why I'm here actually, because I feel like building right now. I've been struck with creativity right now. So we can do that. I mean, I can do that. I feel like building a house right now. I am so I am so pumped.
That's why I'm here actually, is because I was building a house, but
nice. Yeah,
the chat keeps like I was gonna get like a whole bunch of wood and just start building, because I was actually like a man kind of
holy
go
crap.
up it and then
voice chat doesn't want to cooperate. Do you want to take a nap first? Do you want to sleep?
Keeps cutting out.
Yeah, it's cutting out. Let's sleep. Let's sleep.
Alright. Well, I'm sorry again that it keeps cutting out. Like,
yeah. I'm sorry. Come to bed. Come to bed.
Oh, I will. I will. I'm all aboard on that.
Oh,
Hang on.
You touch my tralala.
I don't know.
Wait, I'm wearing pants. I need to remove the pants though.
Take the pants off,
I need to remove the pants. There we go. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh man.
No one sees nothing.
Wow. Alright.
Okay.
Let's make it morning. Alright, so yeah, I have an idea. I feel like, but I need to mine a lot of quartz from you know, from that hell dimension.
From the nether?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go there. I need a lot of quartz.
Do you want me to be with you?
It's not about being with me. It's just that I have 22 levels, and I'm worried that I might die. That's what's worrying me.
My stream keeps buffering for some reason. Ugh. It's just so bad. I'm hoping that it's not my internet right now.
Well, if it's buffering, must be. You know what? If you want, we can sacrifice voice chat. We don't have to be on voice chat if it's affecting your stream quality. It's up to you.
Well, I don't even know. Like, it just started to like.
Because everything's gonna do a number on the bandwidth. Whether it's voice chat, whether it's we're playing online. Minecraft is an online game, so
yeah.
So it's up to you, really. I mean, I don't mind.
Well, I'll just probably give it some time. Like, I don't know why it's acting up. It never happened like this before. Okay, there. Now it's turning green, so...
Oh! I almost fell into the lava. That's not a good start.
You almost fell into the lava. Hey, Dan, what's up? Wait, she's done streaming? No.
Stick around, everybody. Stick around. Oh, well. I was reading about the nether fortresses, and it says that they spawn on X coordinates, I think? X or Y, I'm not so sure. Anyway, it says how you can find them easily, basically. And that is what we need to focus on.
Okay. I'm hoping that I do not have to like freaking restart my computer because this is just bad. But I may have to.
In that case, don't worry. I mean,
hey, I'm talking to you whether you like it or not. You're stuck to me like glue.
I'm gonna eat this.
You're gonna sit here and enjoy my voice.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yes.
Alright, I found me some more of this. So is he gonna take Sugar Butt over there now onto the island?
I have no idea. I think he's just building the house and then he'll...
Is he gonna move on his own? Move out? Is he gonna move out? Are we gonna have the house to ourselves?
Well, Cheers still there and all that.
Yeah. I mean, Cheers still new. I mean, I don't blame him for making some noobish mistakes, but the thing is, he grabs a bunch of... He takes like a stack of iron. He makes a full armor with leggings, chest plates, with shield complete with everything, and then he dies. Then he comes back and he does this, and then he repeats again. And he's using up a lot of resources. So I will tell him to make some leather armor for the time being, because he's just losing all his armor every single time.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, I understand he's new and he's still a noob, and he's like this game. And then at one point we were playing, and he's like, "This game is hard. It's like it's pissing me off." And I told him, "Listen, dude, it's like it's very hard. I keep dying." I told him, "Listen, it happens to all of us. And I've been playing it since 2000. I've been playing it since 2010, alright, and it still happens to me, you know. And you've been playing it since yesterday, so like, give it a chance, buddy. Give it a chance. You'll get better." But the thing is, he needs to understand that armor is not gonna make a difference.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, so I'm
Okay, where is all the quartz that I collected? Oh, there it is. Oof, I got scared for a sec.
So I'm hoping that it works. If not, then it's like...
So I got, so far, 17 blocks of quartz.
I don't go on the voice.
I don't go too far away, though.
It just keeps acting up lately.
This is probably too dark for you guys to see at the stream. Alright, I found a bunch more. I'm mining with my fortune pickaxe, so at least I get some. Oh, level 25! I need to be careful. Level 25.
Oh, so you're back to level 25 again?
I think it's time for me to die. I think the time for me to die is fast approaching.
Yeah. I think so too.
I'm trying to reach level 30. So maybe I can enchant something, and then once I enchant, I don't care about dying. We can go look for the nether fort perhaps.
Well, I want to get a fortune pickaxe.
I would love to get a fortune pickaxe. You got one? No, you already got one.
Oh, you're already checking my stuff?
No, you said yourself.
Yeah, I can get a fortune, but I'm not level 30 yet. I have fortune 3 that I can get.
So, alright.
But once I do that, then I'll be like happy-go-lucky. So
happy-go-lucky me.
Pretty much. I think I'm probably gonna take like a whole thing of iron, because every time that iron's getting low now.
Get low. Get low, get low, get low. Yeah, the iron is getting low, isn't it?
Yeah, so I have actually 2 things of 64 in my chest. So this way, you know, because everyone else has some, I was looking in the chest and...
Why are you looking around in my chest?
Heck yeah, I'm always gonna look at your chest.
It's a good thing I've been doing. It's a good thing I've been doing some what are you call them?
Oh man, tech push-ups. You know, working out.
What are they called? The ones that you do pull-ups. I don't know. Whatever.
Yeah. Well, hey. I mean,
bench
you're 30,
press. That's
so.
what I mean. Bench press. I've been doing some bench press. So you can look at my chest all you want.
I would love to see like a workout vlog of you.
You know, it crossed my mind. Not vlog really. I mean, it crossed my mind to do a stream. But the thing is, hey Mark, welcome. The thing is, it gets busy. I'm not really busy, it's not that big a gym. So you easily notice if I'm vlogging, if I'm talking to the phone. You know, I want to do that, but... Alright, I have...
Well, you don't have to talk to the phone, you can just put on some music after, but just record, like, you know, you working out for a little bit, you know.
I don't know, I don't think it would be interesting, though, for you to watch, like...
Nikki wants that.
I don't know.
Pretty sure other girls would like that too, you know. I'm not the only one.
About girls, it's not about the girls, that's just for interesting documentation. Oh my goodness, I'm lost in the nether. I knew something I knew something bad was gonna happen sooner or later.
Do you want me to come look for you? So you can teleport to me?
Let's leave that as a last resort option. I mean, I don't want to do that for now. I mean, I don't want to have to do that. So for the time being, I'm going to try to see if I can get on higher ground.
Alright. Gaming! Yes, I finally made a Twitter. I was talking to Pudge and, like, for some reason, my YouTube alerts do not work. Like, Vloggies, I have to wait, and then somehow it's like, oh, Vloggy's live. I click on it, and his video is already, like, uploaded. I'm like, what?
No.
Yeah, sometimes I miss your streams, and I get so upset about that. Same with Pudge and a couple of other people, and it's like, what the heck? So that's why I made a Twitter, so this way people can just, like, announce it, and I'll be like, yes, I'm there. So, now I know.
I can't see anything. I have no idea.
You have no idea?
That's not fair. I can't see anything. I don't know where I am. Man, that's not fair.
Dun, dun. The struggle is weird. Weird? The struggle is weird.
The struggle is weird. I like that. Quote of the day.
Nikki cannot speak proper English today.
Do you even
I'm
English,
telling
bro?
you, dear.
Okay.
Chick, or yeah, Vloggy. Chick says hi.
Hello.
I don't think she heard you properly because the stream was fine. There you go. This is hello.
This is the hello from the Vloggy.
Yes. But yes, I'll leave the link in the description block. Oh my god. Description box down below. His name is VloggyBuddy. Yes.
Yeah.
VloggyBuddy.
You know where my name
came
from? You know where my name came from?
No, I don't know where your name came from.
Because I started my YouTube channel as vlogs initially, and then...
Oh yeah, that, yeah.
Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Come to the nether quick! We need to teleport!
I'm coming!
Oh my goodness!
I'm coming!
Mr. Bob was chasing me! I'm gonna eat.
I'm on my way, I'm about to jump!
Alright, alright, let me just have the command ready. So, TP, VloggyBuddy to Nerdy Nikki. Whenever you're ready, let me know when I hit it. I hit it.
Hit it.
Ready? Hit it. Boom. Alright, good. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah! I heard the gas firing one before we left. Did you make it? Alright, good.
Yeah, he was up.
Whoa, if he destroys... Hey, Chikachu. Chikachu, I like that. Welcome to the stream, Chikachu. Chikachu.
Yeah, Chikachu. Chikachu! I choose you!
Chikachu, I choose you! Okay, so thank you for bringing me back. that was close.
See, Nikki's smart sometimes.
Yeah, it didn't even cross my... Teleportation, I always forget about teleportation. Always. So, I just got myself some more... Yay! Thank you for subscribing! Whenever I stream from OBS... Whenever I stream from OBS Studio, for some reason, the notification sounds like it plays twice. So it feels like it played twice over each other. I don't know if I can explain that.
Oh, so I'm not the only one because there's like a delay now. And I'm like, what the heck? And I have the delay off. And it's just, it seems like after when someone subscribes, it comes up and all the notifications work, but it's a huge delay. And I'm like, what the heck? Yeah, it's pretty weird. Like, I don't know what's going on. But thank you for subscribing. Much appreciated. Oh my goodness, we are getting a lot of subscribes today. V, thank you so much. Wow.
Alright, so I have 35 quartz blocks. I don't think it's going to be enough. I don't think it's anywhere near enough, to be honest with you. But that's going to have to do. I decided, I'm inspired to build a house right now. I'm so inspired. I saw this design and I want to copy it. That's how story my life really. Okay, wanna sleep? Wanna sleep?
Well, do you want to build your own house? It's up to you.
No. It's not about. The thing is, I am addicted to building. That's the thing.
I know. That's why I bought Minecraft. Was because of the building.
Eventually, I'm gonna fill up this world with houses, skyscrapers, structures, all that kind of stuff, and I won't be living in any of them really. I'll probably have a chest outside and the bed outside.
Oh no! You're leaving with me.
Okay.
We'll make it official. We'll build a chapel.
Oh no!
Alright. We'll build a chapel, and True, and Cheer, and yeah, we'll be there. Our children.
Alright.
And then
where am I gonna build?
Fight.
I'm trying to think where I'm gonna build. So where are you building your house?
Well, I'm gonna build it here, right next to the tree farm, because I can maintain it, and it's gonna be like off to the edge.
Okay.
So here's like. What the heck? Ow!
I'm trying to think where I can build mine. Maybe over here? Hold on.
Well, it's up to you. If you want to build, well, we need a pig, and we haven't had any pigs.
You've got me, I'm a pig.
You are not a pig. You are like...
I'm kidding. I kid. Psych! I joke! I kid!
Really? See, that's the thing. Like, you and I are too much alike when it comes to that stuff, because it's like, yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I am so happy with this machine that I made for chicken.
I know. I was thinking about making a cow one, or have you make a cow one for the leather.
You can make one, but every now and then you're gonna have to go breed them yourself manually.
Yeah. That's the thing too. I was thinking about that, but then I was like...
Alright, how do you make concrete?
You don't know how to make concrete? There is concrete there.
Let me see. I need to make black concrete. So
you need to make black
clay. This is stained clay. Coal, black coal. No, it's not in my recipes actually. Hold on. I gotta go. Tell NIKKI I said goodbye. Alright, Chikachu says goodbye.
Oh, bye, Chikachu! Thank you for stopping by on the stream.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Thank you.
You are awesome.
Yes. Hope to see more of you. So you better be back. I am watching you.
Oh,
hello, Arnie!
You put your viewers under pressure.
I cannot do that. Welcome to the stream. I could never do, like...
I don't have it in my recipes. I don't have the recipe to make... oh, concrete. There it is. How do you make it? You need sand, gravel, and 1 ink. Alright, that's it.
We should have ink.
Alright,
I'll get it.
We're good. Alright, we're good. Gravel, sand, and ink. That's easy. Alright.
Yes, well, it's not all about, like, the subs, to be honest. I mean, you guys are like family to me, and I'm just here to entertain you guys because I love you guys so much. You guys are actually making this channel more entertaining. It's because of you guys. And for that, I am extremely grateful. Now, where's Vloggy at?
I'm downstairs. No, I'm just downstairs. Hold on, did I just put dirt? No, this is just soul sand. Alright, I'm coming. Coming!
Oh, sucky.
Sucky. Okay. Oh, man.
Well, all I know is once I hit 200 subscribers, which is really close, I'm definitely gonna do something special for you guys because, wow.
Once I hit 2K subs, I think I'm gonna do what's that?
Oh, please dance, please.
What?
I want to see more dancing from you because.
That's gonna be when I have. No! Oh my goodness! Man, I should never right click when I have a bucket in my hand.
No.
Oh my goodness. No. The mess that I made.
Minecraft.
Oh man, the mess that I made. Let me just fix that real quick. Ah man. Place the torches, I'll place the backseat back.
There's only one torch, you have like all of them.
where's my torches? I only got 1 torch as well. Alright, so there wasn't any then.
I know, right? He, like, ruined my Egyptian cotton carpet.
I was the one that did that. What are you talking about? I was the one that placed that.
That's my carpet, okay?
Okay.
Well, actually, someone took the carpet for the first time. I was like, who the heck stole the carpet?
Where's the other carpet? We're missing one. We're missing 1 carpet. Where did it go?
It's right here. It's fine.
There we go. There we go. Alright, I'm looking for sand.
Sand's there. Sand is should be in this top box. Wait, no, it's over here. Yep, right here. So
is that all the sand we have? Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Like I said, we need to get more supplies.
Alright, no problem.
What's Vloggy's channel? Vloggy's channel is VloggyBuddy. So go check him out on YouTube. I have to leave the link, and I didn't think that he would be.
Thank you.
No
Actually, mine was a bit of a gamble, to be honest with you, because I was like, I wonder if we're gonna play. so I just had the thing ready, the stream. Sorry, the thumbnail. I'm like, all right, the thumbnail is gonna show 2 people playing, but I don't know if she's actually gonna join the voice chat. So it was a gamble, really. I'm
gonna tell you whenever you're on, and if you want a voice chat, just ring me up because I'm gonna answer.
Awesome sauce.
Yeah, be special. Feel special.
Oh, I love this song.
I'll
You can't
be
hear it though.
watching, and I'll be waiting.
I forgot where
As far as I know, I'm the burning one. Yes, you are the only burning one. Oh, why am I in your box?
So it's an L-shaped thingy. Actually, hold on.
See, my box is all colorful. It's full of like terracotta and awesome stuff.
Gaming FFC just subscribed. Thank you, everybody from your end is coming this way. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Hey, Iker Zalgo Play, welcome. Thank you so much. Why everybody call me Play? I like Zalgo, and Zalgo it is. Zalgo. That is not enough.
Zalgo.
That is not enough concrete powder. Is it supposed to be powder? Hold on, is it powder? But this is sand. I want concrete. How do you make it turn into concrete?
How do we make dirt into concrete? That is something I would know. Maybe, yeah.
Concrete
I wouldn't
powder,
know.
yellow powder. No, I want concrete.
Yeah, you're gonna have to check that. I'm sorry.
I have no idea how to make concrete.
I don't know. You know me.
This is redstone. Redstone?
And you know what's funny is that we actually have to be up soon for another stream with True, Vloggy, and Cheer.
Actually, to be honest with you, that is why I am streaming now, because I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it when True is online. I have something. I'm quite busy. Sorry, don't be mad at me.
My husband's not gonna be here.
Minecraft concrete. Let's see. Minecraft concrete. So concrete. Minecraft wiki. So now I have the powder.
Amy, I'm surprised, like, Jesus, you now subscribe to, like, freaking Vloggy? Like, gosh, gaming.
Concrete is just regular sand, is that it? Hold on. Concrete powder. Concrete is from where concrete powder comes into contact with a block of water. Ah, alright. Alright, interesting. So I need to pour water on it. Interesting. That is fantastic.
Well, that's definitely new.
I don't have enough, definitely. I need to make some more.
What do you mean you don't have enough?
I mean, I didn't want to take all the sand. You don't have enough sand? No, I didn't want to take all of it from the chest. Actually, I was trying to be nice.
I'll make some shovels and I'll collect you sand, okay?
Yeah, but... Okay, I'm gonna use up all the gravel as well, that way, yeah?
It's okay! That's why it's there!
I don't want to be selfish.
Hey! Who took all the redstone? Okay, not mentioning any names.
Hey, if I need redstone, I'm gonna take from there. I don't care. If I need redstone, I'm gonna take it from there.
I did that actually.
If I need redstone, I'm not gonna need a lot because I'm not that big of a technician when it comes to redstone. But if I do need, I will take it from there because that's not what redstone is for. I'm sorry.
Exactly. See, it's much faster.
It's like saying I'm building a house of diamonds and you're in desperate need for a diamond, for example. What are you gonna do?
Oh, I will take your diamond house. Exactly. I would be like, that is the stupidest thing that you could ever do. I'm sorry, but I would actually call you stupid for that. I'm not being mean, but right. I mean, I want to build a house out of iron, but that would be stupid of me to build a house out of iron because, yeah. Yes, gaming. I know. Nikki just doesn't like to deal with axe and make them and waste iron because Nikki loves iron so much. I love iron so much. The taste of it.
The smell of it. The texture.
The texture.
I cannot find the recipe for it. You know what? I'm just gonna draw it myself because I'm gonna draw it. I don't care. So, okay. So, it was like an L shape, if I'm not mistaken, and then it was something like this. And then
wait, are you watching my drawing video, the burning one, or yours? Because I know a lot of people love my relaxations of, well, my relaxing clay videos and drawing videos because they're like so relaxing, I guess. I don't know. They make people fall asleep, which is bad. I'm like, I'm trying to entertain you guys. I don't mean to make you sleepy.
So Zalgo is a creepypasta, I said. I didn't know that. I had no idea. It's kind of like Slenderman then.
Yes. Oh, I forgot to mention. When it was raining on the server, there was like a Skeletor that came popping up, an undead four horsemen. You missed it.
Really?
Yeah,
so what? A skeleton horse, you mean? Okay.
So what happens is when it's severely thundering out, it's like you go outside and you get, and now it's rare. Okay, it doesn't happen all the time, but you could always try it. Anywho, so what happens is you're walking outside, you get struck by lightning almost, like right next to you, so you don't get affected by it. But then the four horsemen come, and if you know the like legend behind that, like there's death and all that, so on and so forth. So they're actually Skeletors on top of zombie horses.
Okay, where's the horse?
With enchantment armor and bows.
Where's the horse?
Yes, you can.
Why don't we have the horse? Why didn't we take the horse?
Well, one thing, because a creeper came and blew up that, so that got rid of that, and I was like lucky to even survive. I tell you that.
We need to.
And during the day, like they're fine. They don't attack, so they're kind of like spiders, if you know what I mean.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Man, I've been. Can we make it morning real quick, please? Where are you?
I'm collecting sand. I already collected 3 stacks.
Thanks. But I'm trying to chase some squids, and it's night. I can't see anything.
Yeah, they come out during the day mostly.
Squidworth. No, I can't see anything. It's too dark.
Hey.
This spear looks like a boat. This spear looks like a boat.
I know. I don't know who made that. I was like,
did that.
who the heck is ruining all my nice wood?
Oh well.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Oh, getting some. I want to sleep. I got a headache.
I don't care. Just shush and take it. Just shush and take it. Oh, yeah. Yes. Wait.
Where's my
now,
phone? I haven't seen my
reverse.
phone in a while. Oh, I haven't tweeted the stream. I'm so stupid. Sorry, I haven't tweeted the stream. BRB. Hold on. Let me just tweet everything out. I'm quite
tweeting everything out.
I'm quite impressed that I forgot to tweet the stream. There we go. I tweeted stream now. Alright, so.
Yeah, I woke up and I saw your tweet that's like, oh, spending time with the YouTube family. I was like, oh, I'm part of the YouTube gaming family. Oh, come here. Give me a huggy.
Yeah. Ouch.
Oh my god.
I don't like this drop.
Reminds me of past nights. What? Pardon me?
I don't like this drop. There's a drop outside our house. I keep running outside and I fall and I get down.
Yeah, I really want to flatten this area. So I'm going to flatten the top part eventually and then just build like a deck, like a really nice one out of cobblestone because we don't really need that material, but we do need that wood. Just saying. I'm not trying to be like rude or anything, but I'm being logic here, so yeah.
Ooh, I got 4. Nice.
I'm using... What the heck? I'm sorry, Cheer, don't be mad at me, but you know, this has to go for right now.
It needs to go. It needs to go.
Yes, it needs to go. But one thing for a fact, Cheer, is that you'll be living with us like you said.
We love you.
But we'll have our own rooms.
We love you.
Now, do you want your own room, or do you want to sleep with me?
Oh, interesting. I would like my room, but I want my own room, but I'll come sneaking in during the night.
Okay, so we can have our own little chest and everything else, like our closet, and we can put all of our stuff in there, and we're not allowed to go in each other's room.
We're not allowed to go in. Okay, fine.
But I am gonna say this. I am gonna check, you know, cheers and freaking things.
Oh yeah, you're right. I have some.
If I see.
Oh, you're right. I have some iron in the chest. It wasn't.
Yeah.
It wasn't intentional.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everyone has iron in chest but me, and I was like, what the heck?
I put it back. It was unintentional. It wasn't really intentional. I put it back.
Yeah, but that's not your fault. Look how much iron we have left now. We barely have any.
It's true. No, it's true. And the thing is, like I said, I mean, I understand he's still new with the game and everything, but he's using.
That's why I'm not like harping on him, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. I mean, it's nice to have him. You know, it's fine. But we need to be careful because without resources, the game is gonna end up boring. You know, it's not gonna work out.
Exactly, and it's gonna be hard to do anything. To be honest.
Exactly. It's gonna make the game even harder. So, what I'm gonna do is make more of this.
Like, we can always make wood. It's just we have to, like, as fast as we, you know, tear down and make the wood, as fast as we have to, like, replenish it. So. Oh, I said a big word. I'm so smart. Hey, it's nighttime for me, so it's like... Oh, speaking of that, like I said, how was work?
Are
you still at work?
No, I just got back home. Oh my goodness, I'm so addicted. So yesterday, you were like, Vloggy, don't you have to work? I'm like, oh, yeah, I do. And I rushed out, remember? And I went to work. Now the first thing I do when I come back to the apartment from work is switch on Minecraft again. Wow.
I told you, you're gonna be like that. You're gonna be like, no. And then I'll be like, eventually you're gonna start craving it where you're at work and then you have the urge to like play Minecraft.
Oh no, what have I become?
An awesome person.
Oh. So, how am I gonna flatten this area? I need to flatten this area. Let's start from here. I'm gonna build the house here.
Where? Which house are you building?
I'm gonna build an awesome house. You're gonna... Well, I don't know if you... I love modern. I'm a big fan of modern.
Wait, you love modern houses?
Yes, it's my thing.
Okay, I am marrying you now. That's all I'm saying.
Yes, I love modern.
Of like modern and country, like mix basically, where it's nice and like, you know, awesome. So, yes. Modern is nice, but there's like types of modern, I guess. So. Hello, Dark Poop. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you here.
What's the username?
Dark Poop.
Dark Poop?
Yeah. Like, cool whip, but loop.
Ah, okay. I thought it was poop. Dark poop.
What?
Dark poop.
If you have some dark poop, you better go check yourself. That's all I'm saying. Just, yeah. That's bad. Just saying.
Now, I'm gonna have an awesome house. And there's a PJ with the name Iker, or Iker, and he's the grandson of Zalgo.
Did you just say there's PJ?
There's a PJ. I think he means pajama. I think he means pajama.
That...
I broke my...
Yeah.
I'm level 27 right now. I need to be careful, huh?
Yes, you do need to. If you don't, then you might die, and I will laugh.
Oh my goodness. I will die. So, what am I gonna do? Why am I here? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a shovel. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a shovel made out of gold. Because it's fast.
Right.
It's fast. I think a shovel with efficiency and you know, durability, you know, I think it would be the fantastic shovel.
But
I'm gonna make two of them. We don't have a work. Oh, we do have a workbench. Never mind.
No problem, Burning One. Again, thank you for always supporting the stream. I love you so very much, bro. You're awesome. And stay awesome.
Let's go.
But it's kind of weird, Vloggy, because like you go to bed at like weird hours like I do.
Yeah, I'm a night person. I sleep in the morning, so now I should be sleeping. Now I should be sleeping.
And you wanted to play Minecraft, and you're like, oh, she's on, so I'm gonna spend time with her.
Honestly, I just got inspired to build a house, and I saw you on. I'm like, no, the stars are, the planets are aligning.
Yes, exactly, because yeah, I felt inspired to build. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna build. So, exactly. And then you come on, I'm like, oh, a whole new world.
A whole new world.
Exactly. Burning One says goodnight, Vloggy.
Bye, good night.
He's
Thank you for hanging out with us.
Bye.
So,
have a good night.
What was I saying?
Before I rudely interrupted you.
Because Zalgo says NIKKI sounds like a transformer. Actually, she is a transformer. She is a transformer.
Huh?
You are a transformer, aren't you?
I'll be Bumblebee.
You're an Autobot. No, the thing is, because it's acting up, stupid Discord, and sometimes you sound like a robot, and that's what he means.
I know, but you sound like that. So,
electrifying. Malfunction.
Electric. Me want snoo.
I broke those golden shovels in a matter of seconds. Never again.
I know, that's what happened. Axe, and then I was like, oh, okay, this should be. But see, the only difference between you and I is that we always talk at the same time, so it's like we have to pause and like let each other talk.
Whoops. Whoops.
No, it's not your fault.
There we go. I really like the door that you made for the enchantment room.
Well, it's just a sample. Like I said, this house is just for, you know, inconvenience. Like, this is the main house, but once I actually, well, it's the main house for right now, but once I actually build an awesome house, then that's going to be the main house. And if someone wants to live in that house, then they can. But
or maybe you can set it on fire or explode it.
Yes, well, I still want to collect all the material from that. Then we can actually, like, start building on it. That's what I was thinking about doing.
So I'm wondering, is it gonna be enough? The area that I cleared up. I wonder.
I love you to Neptune and back. Oh, I love you too. Into the stream. But I like Mars, so that's.
All right, I think I'm good to go. I think I'm good to start my build. I think.
You're gonna start to build?
Yeah.
Did you take the dark wood? You probably did.
No. I didn't take anything. No wood. I got no wood.
Okay. You got. Whoa. Sorry, Vloggy, but you know you need to move your bed down. Cause Mama needs that wood.
Alright, it's getting dark, so let's go to bed, turn it into morning, and only then we'll start the house. In the meantime, actually, yes, I'll bring up a YouTube video as well. I got so much dirt, I'm gonna pick this up.
I'm trying to fill and level this right now. But when you walk outside, you're not gonna fall down, so...
Yeah, if you want some dirt... I have
Thank you, Peter!
Alright, let's go. Let's go get some sleep so I can start the build. And I'm gonna bring up the YouTube video in the meantime so I can just follow exactly.
See, I'm not gonna follow exactly. I'm just gonna wing it.
Yeah, I like to follow... I mean, I like to get some ideas, but... Then I just do my thing. I do my take on the whole thing. So, Philly, I see you.
Run!
All right. So let's see. Where was I?
You were gonna give me dirt until I walked out.
Oh yeah. Here it comes. Here it comes. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, so if I can do this correctly, I think I can salve it. Okay, yes.
Whoa, it just happened. Oh, my USB is acting up. Nice. Sometimes it happens.
I'm right here.
See ya, Zalgo. See ya. Take care.
All over me.
Here we go. I got 1 stack. 2 stack. 3 stack. 4 stack. And 29. That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot, if I do say so myself. Now then, let's start building the house. Let's see.
Okay. Now I'm just gonna do that. So where are you building your house, just so I know?
Over here. If you look for me, you
right
see
where Sugar Butt used to be.
Is it where Sugar Butt used to be? I'm not so sure.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Well, that's going to be my house.
Okay. As long as it's like not near the forest and trees, we're good.
No, we're good. I like that the houses and the structures have a safe space between each other because I don't like everything crammed.
Oh, see me? I have like a certain image where I like viewpoints as well. I'm very picky on that. So yeah, that's one thing. Okay, so I think that should actually be the downtown village here. I was gonna make like a little smelting area, like, you know, a blacksmith area.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing that because I like actually medieval stuff. Just saying. Yes.
Alright, so I need to choose where the front is gonna be. The front of the house is gonna be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now I'm gonna place my concrete. Well, it's just sand for now. It looks like sand, but I'm gonna pour a bucket of water and let's see if it happens. And now it's solid. Nice. How cool is that?
Check them out. Let's go see.
How cool is that? This is like the foundation of my structure. Let's see. Then 1, 2, 3, 4.
What the heck are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You put 8, right? I hope so, because that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, oh, come on.
Here he is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, perfect.
That's concrete?
Yeah, how nice, eh? I just poured water on it and it turned solid from sand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's 7, like durable?
Yeah, it's hard now, giggity, but
oh, really?
yeah, I like
That's
that.
actually pretty cool.
I don't know if I have enough material though. We'll see. We'll see. I love quartz so much.
I actually like darkwood. I am obsessed with darkwood.
Right, it's definitely. Definitely gonna have to make some more flattening of the area. So let's just get on with it right away.
Yep, that's how I am right now. We gotta cut down these trees.
Do you need more dirt, or should I put it just in the box right away?
Well, I can just put it in the box right now.
I'll do
You came back, burning one.
You missed us.
Subscribe to me.
If I can play Minecraft and stream it, it's better. You know, the more I document the development of this island, the more I can, you know, the better. I like to, you know, I don't know, in a few months' time, I like to go back to the first video. I'm like, look at the island, it's so different. Look what we did to it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
I like that.
Thank you, burning one. Actually, I was deciding on doing an art stream today, but then something told me that I should just play Minecraft.
Well, Minecraft
Literally.
is art. Minecraft is also art.
Exact. Well, apparently over here in Canada, what they're doing is instead of doing computer programs and like doing weird stuff for like building and like, you know, shapes and all that stuff, they're actually doing Minecraft.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, I heard about these initiatives and programs. I like that. It's good.
It's like that. Yeah, I support that 100%. Welcome back, Frosty. Hey, Crocodile. Yes, what is up, my fan jam?
I was watching Rick and Morty. I don't know if you're familiar with Rick and Morty, and they did,
I love Rick and Morty.
And they did an episode, but they just referenced Minecraft. And Rick and Morty were playing Minecraft, and Rick goes, "What's with this game? Is it popular with autistic people?" And Morty goes, "That's not a nice thing to say. Why do you say that?" He's like, "Because I'm enjoying it." Get it?
I don't remember that, but yeah.
And then they're like, they call them for a mission or something, and Morty goes, "Aren't we gonna continue Minecraft?" He's like, "Nah, South Park did it already." It's like, "Wow, they're fast," and he goes, "No, we're just slow." I like that. Am I picking this up? Yes, I am. Alright.
See, I want to do like a modern twist kind of thing.
The house I have in mind is going to be very, very basic, but it's going to be ultra
Kind
modern.
of house thing. Yeah, it's going to be ultra modern and fancy and pretty. But I do want to kind of make it like a little bit modern and beachy theme, I guess.
I'm gonna have a competition, whoever makes the nicest house.
I'm in!
Alright. And we're starting together. We're starting this build together, so...
And now, okay, is it just between you and I, or is like True and them are gonna be?
Nah, it's just you and me. I mean, True and Cheer are noobs. They're not gonna be able to compete with our level of creativity. I'm not trying to brag, but we have experience. We know how to build a house to make it look pretty. True's house looks like a box, basically. It's just a box, you know. So he can't compete with us. He can't get on our level. I'm not trying to brag or feel superior, but it's the truth. It's not. It won't be a. My point is, it won't be a fair fight. That's what I mean. We're experienced.
Yeah.
You and I are senseis.
Aww, we're senseis. We're like Obi-Wan and Kenobi. We are like Yoda. I am Yoda.
Build a house, you must.
Like, you build a house?
No, house.
Yeah.
House. No, build a house, you must.
Build? Yes, house you must. Okay. But I have a kind of like modern twist house that I want to do. Kind of. It depends though, because it's like, do I really want to
Hey Tiffany, welcome. Sorry to cut you off. Hey Tiffany, you love Minecraft? Seriously? You were whispering. I don't know if you said something.
Yeah, I said something, but you didn't hear it. I'm happy.
Alright. I didn't realize. I don't know. I thought you were trying to say something to me. Alright.
Oh, no, don't worry.
I'm gonna put this in the box.
Okay, so we are gonna make this awesome, this house.
Yeah, Minecraft is the game I spent so much time on. I think that Minecraft is the #1 game I spent a lot of time on. Minecraft. And after that, it was GTA 4. And after that, it's Resident Evil 2.
Speaking of that, we're not allowed to look at each other's houses.
You can look at mine, I don't care.
Well, I thought it would be like a fair fight if we just...
No, it's fine. I don't mind. Honestly, I don't mind.
Okay.
Man, I'm having a hard time finding which chest is which. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the
Let's get down to business.
Alright, I have played it. Same here, Tiffany. I haven't played the game in like years, maybe 2 years possibly. So I am kind of a noob because so many things have changed, you know. And one of the things that I missed, I hate change. Honestly, I hate change. You know, if it's not broken, don't fix it. I am that kind of a person. And one of the things that they've changed that shouldn't have been changed is when you pick up items, it used to make this sound. Hang on, let me wet my lips. It used to go. I cannot make it because there's the music, it's very loud. It used to go. like this. You know what I mean? Something like that. Anyway, now it doesn't make that sound anymore. Now it just goes whoosh, 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 when you pick up an item. I'm not happy with that.
Wait, what? Actually, Nick, I don't have a boyfriend. So, yeah.
Once I dated a girl, I don't know if I told you this. If I did, stop me. I hate repeating myself. Actually, no, for the benefit of the audience. Yes. Once I was dating this girl, and I told her about Minecraft, and she's like, yeah, let's try it out. And she was one of those girls. I'm gonna be honest. She was one of those girls that tries to impress me. So if there's something I like, she'd be like, oh, me too. You know, I like Marvel comics. Oh, me too. She used to go me too, just because I am into it. And I'm like, all right, okay, whatever. I showed her Minecraft, and she loved it. And we used to play Minecraft for hours together, me and her. And it used to be like a Saturday night, and she used to be like, shall we go out or shall we stay home and play Minecraft? And I would have preferred to stay home, play Minecraft. And she'd be like, let's stay home and play Minecraft. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna marry this girl. She wants to stay home and not go out and play Minecraft. And we used to play Minecraft for hours, sitting down, not talking to each other. I mean, obviously just about games. Do you have coal? Yeah. And then we used to get hungry, and we used to be like, we should order food. We should order food. I'm like, yeah. 2 hours later, we still haven't ordered food. We're getting hungry, and then we order food. The food gets delivered, and it just sits there on the table for a very long time before we actually decide to eat, because we were so addicted to this Minecraft game. Anyway, I talk too much. Are we gonna sleep so we change it into morning, please?
Yes.
I mean, honestly, I could make things more convenient, just change it to morning with just a command, but let's play it legit. Hello.
Yes, we gotta play it legit. There's a creeper like right there. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, he's following you! Did you close the door?
I know. That's it. Yes, I closed the door. We're definitely gonna make a back end because, yeah. You may not sleep, there's monsters nearby. Okay, time to move the beds.
No, but we're gonna have to find a way to get out, to go out of the house.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna build the back way. I know where. Yeah, your name's pretty cool, Peter. It reminds me of Hunger Games, to be honest.
Alright, so. Hold on, let me see where the creeper is. Hold on. I don't see the creeper now. Where did the creeper go? Oh, I can't see. Hold on, let me just go this way.
Or is it PETA? Because it sounds like PETA.
Alright, I don't see the creeper. Maybe he despawned.
I'm scared now to walk outside and just be like, da 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 da.
Just equip my sword and just make a run for it.
Pretty much.
Alright, there's no creeper. I think he despawned. No, he's right there! Oh, wow! He really is a creeper. This way. Oh, he's waiting for you, actually. Did you get out?
Yes.
Alright, he's just staring. He's just staring in the direction. Oh, now he's chasing me. Alright, let's just take care of him.
Nick.
Get out of my way, donkey!
That's your donkey, bruh.
No, that's not my donkey. My donkey is inside, right? Yeah, he is.
Yeah, your donkey's inside. Donkey?
I'm hungry now. What am I gonna eat? I'm just gonna eat raw beef because I'm too lazy. Actually, come on. I have a machine that cooks chicken. All I need to do is just grab some from the machine. I'm so lazy.
Wow. Just wow.
I'd love someone to play with. I get bored playing it by myself. It does get lonely when you play it alone, eh, Minecraft? Yeah, sometimes. Look what I did, Tiffany. Look what I did. I did a machine that automatically breeds chickens and cooks them for me. And they just fall into the box. You get feathers and cooked chicken. You needed something more girly. I like Princess Tiffany. I like it. I prefer Princess, honestly. Alright, let's do this.
Okay. We may have to do that.
I am so grateful for non-copyrighted music.
Are you now?
I really am, because non-copyright is good background music and you can play it safely. The purpose is so you can play it without fear of copyright. infringement. And it's good music. They have every right to be like, you know, no, this is our content, you know, we're gonna do a claim on it, you know, because it's really good music. So I'm very grateful for these kind of people who do music just for the benefit of communities. I really like that.
Yeah, but you rarely get that now these days.
Exactly, that's my point. I'm grateful for these kind of guys. There's Kevin, there's one guy called Kevin, I forgot his name. He has a website full of music. He produces music regularly for free for everyone to use on their videos and stuff. Even Approaching Nirvana, that's why I love Approaching Nirvana, because they have such amazing music. I use their music in all my videos. They're like, as long as you credit us and you buy our music, you know, you can buy your music for whatever you want. You can just name a price. It's one of those websites.
Wait. So, Nick, you actually know PETA. Okay, so am I supposed to guess the person's name? Is that what I'm supposed to do? I don't understand. So I screwed that one up majorly.
You know, sometimes it goes through my mind changing my username, but nah, I'm not gonna. I don't do vlogs anymore. But even though I don't, I don't know, it feels like it's very fitting, my name. I don't know.
I like it.
I like it too. Get out of my face, chicken.
Okay, so I want to build it. It's gonna be like a medium-sized house. I don't know.
Alright, so I think we're good. I think I can continue laying the foundation of my structure.
It's not gonna be mostly sandstone. It's gonna be multicolors. For some reason, it's gonna be like awesome.
Alright, let's go. Where were we? Oh no, I just realized that if I go all the way here, it might not be enough. We'll see, we'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Let's continue building the foundation. So far we have this.
Where's my dark wood at?
This is just for me, for the reference actually, there's a reference point. So, let me take a look.
So you're using a reference?
2, 3, 4, 5. No. Hold on. Yeah.
I can't wait to see what your house is gonna look like.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, it's a nice round number. Actually, hold on, it's better if I listen because I'm not so sure. Let me just listen. Oh man, hold on.
Blocks to the side of the build. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. You went for 20 blocks. Alright, so I was correct. But I want to make sure. I'm very paranoid. So 20 blocks is where we're gonna go. And in the meantime...
Well, to be honest, I don't even have a favorite band. But I do like, I guess, and one of my top favorites. I do love Guns N' Roses, Sweet Child of Mine.
Oh man. I'm screwed.
Why are you screwed?
I don't have enough land. It always happens to me.
Build, boy.
I don't have enough land.
This is what happens when you challenge the NIKKI.
The NIKKI.
The knickers.
Let me just see if this is gonna be enough. I'm so stupid. let's start over. I don't have enough quartz, definitely not. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. Alright. Ah, well. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna, because I like to make the ground look like it's natural, even though it's not, but I like to simulate, make it look like it's natural, so I'm gonna have to create an artificial cliff, basically.
That was weird. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to make it a little bit more outwards, but that's okay. So it's gonna be a big, huge house, which is awesome.
You see, so I'm making an artificial cliff, basically. What can you do?
And this. So we're having competition. So if someone wins, right? You know, what does that person have to do?
Nothing. Bragging rights. That's it.
Bragging rights? Come on!
What did you want?
Oh, because
buy you a coffee?
I was gonna be like, I want you to dance.
Oh no, who was it? Whoa, that would be a good challenge. Well, it doesn't take much to make me dance, so that's not really a challenge for me.
Well, Gundam style, the full song, like you have to literally, like, you know, sit there and, you know.
I have done that before.
Hey, hey, hey. Come on, keep it interesting. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, I know I have to build like this big, huge house, so this is definitely going to take a lot of materials.
Let's go.
I think this is what's going to take like hours and hours of a house.
I'm creating my artificial cliff. Hill, whatever.
A hill?
You know, I don't want it to look like a cube when I generated the land. You know what I mean? Like I'm extending the land, but I don't want it to be like a cube. You know, when it's against the water. Does it make sense what I'm saying? No, you would have understood.
It does make sense, but it's up to.
I don't want it to look ugly, basically. What about here?
It's not gonna look ugly.
It would if I don't make it smooth. Alright, so like this, you know, it kind of looks like it's natural, like this. And that is why I'm OCD.
You don't have OCD, you're just...
When it comes to Minecraft,
you know.
I hate to admit, but...
Yes.
Actually, I don't mind admitting. Alright, so at least now, it looks natural. Look, a natural cliff. More or less. Alright, so that's 20 blocks. I may have to go mine some more. Let's just make sure it's 20 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I have to actually start adding.
We need to go to bed.
Yeah, and then I have to build some torches around this place because...
Yeah, same here. Oh, I like the stairs on the side, by the way. I wanted to say that they're nice, but I got distracted. They're nice.
I just put them there, so this way, like, you know. Okay, so this is definitely going to be a big, huge modern house. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got no iron left, my goodness. We pretty much have no iron left.
That's what I'm saying, like, all the iron's gone, so it's like, the hell.
I don't mind sharing, honestly, I don't. But you see what happens, people are not very wasteful. And, you know...
Oh, why are you crying, Peter? Okay. I'm on my way to go to bed with you.
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Oh my god, I thought that was like a weird witch. I looked at it and it looked like Slenderman to me for some reason. I was like, oh god! That scared me. That just like brought chills down my spine. Literally, I'm not even joking. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go back to the nether to get some more quartz. I may have to ask you to come back and get me if I get lost again. Hopefully I won't, but it might happen.
Dungeons over here. Aww, well, hugs better. Like how there's like spiders and creepers by your house.
That's okay.
Oh, I see what kind of like modern house you're gonna do.
No, you don't.
See, you're getting, yeah.
No, you don't see. No,
You're
don't.
doing like those really cool side ones.
Side ones. No.
That like the weird kind of like geometric kind of thing. That's what I'm doing, but adding a little twist to it.
We'll see. We'll see.
Sorry, my cat. I'm sorry, I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit.
Oh,
But she's like this.
Man, I love quartz so much.
There you go. Okay, I think that's good. My cat is just,
I don't mind. I like the cats. I like the
I
meows.
love cats. But, you know, some people might not like that, that's why. Okay. So that should be perfect. It's not going to be entirely a beach house, but it's going to be freaking awesome.
I look forward to see what you're doing.
Oh, you're looking forward to seeing what I'm doing? Oh, yes,
Yep.
I'm doing it. That's going to be awesome. You're going to be like, oh my god, Nikki, you're so skilled. I'll be like, yes.
No, it's gonna be the other way around. You're gonna be like Vloggy. Wow. Your house. Let's live in this one instead.
Boy!
Alright, I'm gonna convert these into quartz blocks and let's see how many I have so far. I need at least, I don't know, 16. Alright, I think let's just get a few more just to be on the safe side, and I think it should be enough.
I'm gonna put all this in here, the dirt. So we're just working on houses right now.
Yep. Oh my goodness, I'm about to reach level 30. This is dangerous. Very dangerous, if I do say so myself. With a French accent.
With a French.
With a French
I am
accent.
French. I am French. Ho ha ha.
Now let me just figure out which way I came from. Alright, so I remember seeing the shrooms, so I went uphill. And there should be soul sand here somewhere.
So I'll just have to build this now.
Is this the soul sand? Yes, it is. Alright, yes, I found my way back. Nice. GG. Wait a sec. I see the soul sand, but I don't see the way back.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, I left a marker here. Alright, I see the portal. Yes, nice.
Okay, this is just for temporarily, so I can kind of visualize what I'm gonna do. Because if I remember correctly, it's gonna be like this. I think. Just going with the flow.
Uh-oh, careful, buddy.
But it doesn't hurt to be creative, I guess. It doesn't hurt.
Alright, I think I have enough. Let's just... I'm not gonna count it here, actually. Let's just go home and then I'll count how much I got. Once I get through all of these levels and I enchant something and I go back to 0, I'll start looking for the nether fort, because we need that. We need to find blazes and stuff.
Exactly.
So I have 12,
Totally
12
agree.
plus 16, that's 28. That's not enough. And then I have... Okay, nowhere near. I still don't have enough. This is not good.
Me? Do I sound really happy? I think he's happy because he's like, Nikki single? Hell yeah! Because ever since I said that... Yeah! Oh my goodness. That's...
And that's... I didn't count. Well, I don't need to count, actually.
So I think that will be perfect for the flat area.
Now I'm just gonna count quickly.
Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So fast.
Really? Ah!
Wait, I know what he's doing. Anyway.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna need a lot of more of this. Whatever. Alright, no problem.
Yes, thank you for subscribing! Oh my goodness. Okay. Hi, and welcome. Okay, I think I should do some... yes.
I only have 13. This is not enough. 1, 2, 3, 4... Oh, am I counting?
Welcome to the crazy family. Yes, welcome.
How many more do I need? 1, 2, 3,
Oh, I keep distracting. I'm so sorry.
Distracting me?
Yeah.
No, no, you're not. No, you're not.
Okay, like I don't, I don't want to be mean.
Wow, your house is taking shape already. Mine, I haven't even finished laying the foundation. But the reason is, I need quartz. I keep going back and forth for quartz. Let's go
Gotcha,
again.
Nikki. Princess Tiffany, hello and welcome.
Ah, you found the NIKKI.
Oh God, she found me. She has found the wild Nikki.
Wow, this is dangerous.
Thank you for stopping by. Oh, go ahead. I'm so sorry.
No, let's go back.
Oh my God.
Can I go this way?
I'm I'm sorry, Vloggy.
What happened?
I promise I won't talk right now. I'll be a good girl.
No, I'm not saying you shouldn't talk. What? Oh, I hear a Bob.
You hear Bob? Oh my gosh.
No, Bob. Stay away from me.
Bobs are so cute.
Stay away from me, you monster. Actually, I should shoot him. Come get this. Oh, I didn't hit him. Oh, I got him.
You got him?
Oh, I killed him. And the loot is going down, down, down in the lava. Nice. God dang.
Wow, for some reason it's saying that I can switch to night mode gaming now, for some reason.
Night mode gaming?
Yeah.
Never heard that.
I didn't have that option before. I don't know. It's just popping up on my screen. You can now switch to night mode gaming. Cool! Are you supposed to like hit a max or something? Of subscribers to do that? You really understand this.
How am I gonna find the way back? I'm gonna leave some dirt so it indicates. It's not very bright.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yes, Princess, for you that don't know, basically Vloggy and I are having a competition. Who will win? See ya, Peter. Thank you for stopping by on the stream. I appreciate it.
Bye, Peter.
Peter Pan. I'm sorry, I had to say that at least once.
Okay.
At least once.
Whatever makes you happy.
Yes, exactly. Love you too. Oh, you're actually waking up, Princess? Oh my goodness me. Yeah, I shouldn't even be up right now.
I should be going to bed as well. I mean, I sleep in the mornings, and now I haven't slept at night, and I'm just sleeping in the morning. What am I doing with my life?
You're spending time with NIKKI, that's what.
Oh, NIKKI.
Oh, Vloggy!
Oh, Vloggy, I'm having so much fun! Well, NIKKI, we're just getting started.
Oh, I love you, Vloggy!
Oh, I see some... Ah, man, why is it all unreachable? Why can't I not reach the... Let's run. Let's see if I can reach this one over here. Everything is beyond reach. All the quartz is beyond reach right now. God dang it. I haven't mined anything. Oh, there we go.
Well, I think the only thing that's gonna stop me from actually doing this now is the wood. Because I have to now start planting, like, the wood.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need wood as well. I'm gonna need regular oak.
That's the light one, or the dark one, yeah, okay. Well, not the dark one. Oh my god, zombies!
Regular one.
Zombies in the air. Na, 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 na.
I have zombie pigmen here, but they're not doing anything, just...
He's running away!
My zombie pigmen are like, you do your thing, don't worry about us.
As long as the little ones don't spawn, I am good. That's all I'm saying. Brains! Hey, what? Well, I know you from, like, certain other streams, Princess. Like, I paid attention to Vloggy streams, you're there, and a couple of, like, other ones. So, like, you're in random ones. And then we don't really, like... I know you from Vloggy's Discord, too, so... I'll be back later.
I don't think she's on my Discord, actually, to be honest with you. I'm not so sure.
I thought she is, because there's a person named Princess, so I thought maybe
is there?
it was her.
Okay, maybe I could be wrong. Maybe she's there, I never realized. If she's not active, I would not know. Sorry!
I'm just double checking if it is Vloggy's. Because if it's not, then I can correct myself. Because I hate it when I'm wrong. Okay, don't mind me. Okay, let me game. Wow. Thought that's a porn star for a second. Oops. I was gonna say, what the heck, Vloggy? Why are you doing that? You're bad. Yes, Albert Wesker's stream. I know you from Hymns. Hymns. Probably BB's too, because I was always on that one. Let me see here. Maybe Lord's too. Lord Rage? Have you ever went on there? Because I remember seeing you before. I love this picture. I am so badly taking this picture right now, Vloggy.
What picture?
The one where you crop like you and me.
Hey, girl! Did you see that?
Am I allowed to take it?
You can have it, sure, why not?
Okay, good. That's my
I just reached level 30. I need to be so careful. I think it's time for me to die.
Don't die.
Alright, we're almost there.
Yes, I am wrong. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I know you, princess. It's just I don't really talk to you. I'm sorry, I'm bad for that. Like, yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna start talking to you more because you're awesome. And again, thank you for stopping by on my stream. Trevor's yes, BB's yes. So okay, good, yes. I know you. I know you. Digicon, yes. My brother from another vagina.
Okay, wow.
Simple.
That's intense.
He is my bro. I love Digicon.
Digicon, digital monsters, champions.
Ah, I like the friggin' frontier ones. Reach for the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world. Yeah, I know. Rip headphone users, but I don't care.
It wasn't bad, actually. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
Oh, I wasn't trying. That's the thing. Like, you should actually hear me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I think this should be enough. And I won't have to come back to the Nether unless I want glowstone, and I probably want glowstone because I love glowstone so much.
I love glow.
I love
glow.
glow.
Oh god, it's raining.
Now, which way is the portal? There it is. How did I get here? How am I gonna go back? Maybe this way? Hold on, let me just make sure that I have...
Do you want me there? Because, like, there's a witch that's now on our island.
13.
And she's not gonna go away.
I think I have enough. I have 13, I think that's enough. Alright, I'm gonna go back. I don't care whether it's enough or not. If it's not, I'm gonna use wool.
You can use wool?
Well, not really, but whatever. Placeholder.
Just saying wool can burn, so be careful.
Placeholder blocks. Come on, get into the portal. Quickly.
Uh-oh,
we made
Princess has been working. You made it?
We made it through. Okay.
You're home! Oh my darling!
Did you miss me?
Yes, I did.
Alright.
Yes, I did.
Why did I open this? What's this?
Wait a second. Oh, I can't do that. Wait, yes I can, maybe. No, I can't go outside, damn it! I was gonna, like, put an obsidian block right there.
Oh, I just
like,
heard...
It's an Enderman.
Yeah, why is he not coming in? Come in, Enderman. Where are you?
He's trying to.
Is it raining
but
outside?
He can't.
Oh, it's raining outside.
Yes.
Oh, so let's sleep. So turn it into morning. So, and then the rain will stop. It should.
They're fixed. I fixed it.
CW raid? CW raid. Swabby, what? CW raid. What's a CW? Oh, it is a real raid. Okay. I thought Swabby was just pulling my leg. I'm getting raided. Swabby, I thought you were just pulling my leg. CW raid. Hello, Swabby. Andrew, welcome. CWA92. Oh, it must be you then. You're the one doing BBC raid. Okay. And Skinny, hey, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for the raid. I'm playing some Minecraft. It's not what I usually play on my channel, but apparently it's turning into what I usually play on my channel. This was my addiction. Watch out, there's a crab. There's like 3 of them.
That's why I'm gonna be going upstairs.
Right. Okay, we need a back door to this house. I don't know why we don't do it.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh man. What am I gonna do? And there's a witch as well. The thing is, can I make a run for it? I don't think I can. There's 1, 2. I'm gonna try to make a run for it, huh? I love those farms. Well, actually, everything on this map right now is temporary, to be honest with you. Why, goodness, so many creepers. Like 1, 2, 3. This is too much.
Yeah, well, I'm fine now. As long as the little miniature zombies don't come, then I'm good.
Wait a sec, where are you? What are you doing? Did you just jump out of the window? Oh, you did! What the heck?
I was like, screw it.
Hey, you have no respect for our house.
No, not yet.
Oh, come on. Even though it's a temporary one, still.
Well, I'm gonna be making like a little pad area, so don't worry. And of course there's a witch. So, yeah, Vloggy, wanna help me with this witch?
Well, he just destroyed our house.
There's a creepers.
There's
creepers
yeah, let
everywhere.
me just help you. Hold on. Where are you? Which side are you right now?
Where this witch is?
Because I don't want to die.
Oh my god, I am so dead.
No, no, don't die. I'm coming. Reinforcements are coming. I have no idea where you
she's like
are.
whipping stuff at me.
Hold on. I got the bow and arrow. I can take her out. Hey, Void. Welcome. Thank you for the raid. Huh? Thank you so much for coming.
Ow!
Alright.
Take her away!
Where are you? Oh, a creeper's chasing me. Alright, alright. I can take him on one by one. Come on, creeper.
Take this witch!
I don't even know where you are. I wanna help him.
I'm near the dragon.
Near the dragon? Alright, hold on. Are you on the... What are you doing over there? Ah, because
there's a witch!
Alright, 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 alright. Now I understand. Okay, hold on. I got the bow and arrow. I'm gonna take the witch down. Hold on. 1, 2.
Yeah, I can't do it up close.
Watch me. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay.
Oh yeah. Sing it, boy.
Bye, have a great time.
Now watch me, yeah. Now watch me now.
Bye, have a great time.
Wow, it's because she's
strong.
using super potions right now.
Really? Okay. I ran out of arrows actually.
That's why if you can kill her fast, you can probably get a super potion from her.
Oh, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Oh no. Okay, I got her. I got her.
Be
But
careful.
I don't think I picked up anything because I think my inventory is full. Hold on.
He keeps me safe.
Yeah, my inventory is full.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Watch out,
Yeah,
there's the
that'd be
creepers on the island. There's the creepers on the island, just be careful.
Okay. Oh shit.
Oh wow, who was that?
That was me, clearly, because
You know what that
NIKKI
means?
clearly
Close
back
the
away.
hole.
Yeah, I'm fixing it now. Yes, I'm closing the hood.
Please.
I'll embrace the loving. Okay.
Alright, so let's
I have
continue.
something I want to play. Oh, God. I keep distracting you. I'm so sorry. I feel so rude.
I just realized I was on half a heart. I'm level 30. If I die now, I'll probably rage quit and never play the game again.
You are so not gonna do that to me.
To you.
You will never do that.
Why would it be to you? Alright, hold on.
I'll be
I'm not
upset.
trusting. I'm not trusting going AFK. Because of the creepers.
Where did you put the dirt at? Just wondering.
In one of those chests on the right. Are you looking for dirt? It's in the chest on the right. Alright, hold on. I need to go AFK real quick. Real quick. Alright, let's go.
It's a left. Wood.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 6 and 6. 6 and 6, 66.
Ooh.
It's not. 6 and 6 is 12. Alright, let's go.
Something I like to do for fun.
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
See.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
See, I was thinking about making a wooden house instead, but we need some color in this. Because we are definitely going to be winning this.
Winning!
You want to become...
What's this hole
Yes,
doing here? I thought you fixed it.
I'm getting dirt right now.
Yeah, you don't need to get there, don't worry.
Get out of here and go focus on your house.
I'm
I got
helping
this,
you.
boy.
Wait
No, it's my mistake. Go on.
Hold a sec. Where's the...
Oh,
Wait a
bye.
minute. Wasn't there supposed to be stairs going down from here?
Yeah, they blew them up, and I'm too lazy to make stairs, so I'll make them after.
Oh.
See you, crocodile.
The landscape of our map keeps changing.
Exactly.
Late BBC raid. No problem. No problem. Thank you so much for dropping by, Ninja. So what were you playing, BBC, anyway? BBC or CW, whatever. What were you playing? I'm just curious.
That's good.
I like to watch.
Oh, hi, Skinny! Welcome!
Alright, I got my thing over here. I'll go back up.
Oh, that's pretty cool, Tiff. I remember doing a little bit of coding. Like, I'm not the best at it, but yeah. I'll stick with being an artist. I hope you know you can talk, because I don't want to, like, you know...
I love this material. You place it as sand on the floor. I love this so much. You place it as sand on the floor. Then I'm gonna bring a bucket, pour the water on it, and it turns solid. I love it. How cool. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
So I may have to switch it up a little bit.
Now then. I'm gonna do this as well.
Hang on 1 second. I don't want to disturb you, so give me a second. So you can talk to your people too, because that's... I feel like, you know...
You don't disturb me. If you disturb me, I would go mute.
Oh, okay.
Just so, no, I'm just... if I go quiet, it doesn't mean I want you to be quiet. It's just I'm counting or probably focusing on how I'm gonna proceed. That's all.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Alright, so... how about this? Hmm? Okay. Is it going dark already? Yeah, it is. Alright, let's see. What else? Do you want to go to bed?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to bed.
Oh man. Hold on, let me just put this down real quick.
Oh well, the sun's going down like very, very slow. So I thought the sun was down already, but I guess not.
Let's go.
Alright.
Let's make a sleep.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, if you play Mario, I'd be so happy. Mario 64.
I would love to play Mario, but the thing is, I'm so mad at Nintendo for, you know, demonetizing your videos just because you promote their game, basically. So I have a grudge with them. I don't know. I'm not okay with playing their games because of what they do to the community. I mean, again, it's not like I make a lot of money. I don't make money from my videos, really. But the thing is, I am just as a protest. You know what I mean? The protest. Protest?
Well, yeah. I mean, you gotta make some money somehow, right?
Yeah. I mean, if I was gonna make, I don't know, 30 cents or 70 cents or whatever, I'm not gonna make anything now because I don't know. I think it's very greedy, and I think it's very disrespectful towards the community. So I don't know. That's just my take on the whole thing. Spider die, spider die, spider die.
Vloggy, ya bastard. Seems like Nick is upset because you're sleeping with me. Ha ha.
What?
Yep. If he goes over there and it's like, no, no, then you know why.
Nothing for you. You've heard that one?
You shall always sleep with me.
Nothing for you.
No snoo snoo for you.
Okay, that's weird.
Go ahead.
The water wasn't flowing. Alright, I don't know. It was just flowing one direction instead of going everywhere. It was strange.
Probably someone like.
Very strange. Alright, now what's next? Let's see. What am I gonna do next?
Let's see. Well, I definitely have to get some ink from these little squids, so I have to find a lot of squid. Ah! There's so many, but there's hardly any close. Oh, it pisses me off. You gotta get like a whole bunch of black squids, so...
I'm gonna have to go hunt squids.
Oh, you love... Yes, I gotta do that, or just find like black dye or
I need to make more concrete. I don't have enough, I think.
Incomplete.
I'm concrete.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's official. Oh my god! Oh my god! She's my wifey! I get snoo snoo! Yes, Tara gets snoo snoo. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Vloggy.
What's wrong with all this? I don't even.
Hey Tara! How's my waifu doing?
How's Tara doing? Terabyte.
How's Terabyte? I love that one.
Somebody called her Terabyte and I liked it. I started calling her Terabyte as well. Copycat.
I actually like Terabyte. My name is... hi!
I'm 6 blocks short. Ah, man.
You're 6 blocks short. Let's go look at Vloggy's little house as he's doing it.
There's no house right now. I'm just laying down the...
There's no house. Dun, 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 dun.
There's no house at the moment. It's just... I'm still drawing on the floor. It looks like a football field or something.
Looks like a football field? That is awesome.
Look, come take a look. That's what it looks like right now.
Oh gosh, well...
That's just the line, that's just the layout, so I have an idea where's what, basically.
Ah, okay, and then you're gonna take away this, or you're just gonna keep it?
No, it's just like an outline, so I have an idea where everything's gonna be. But then, no, I'll just build on it, but I'm short like 5 blocks of concrete, so I'm gonna have to go make more.
Do you need sand?
Do I need sand? No, I got sand actually. I just need squids. I need squids. Squid ink. Oh, there's squids right here. Oh, there's something that's bothering me.
I'll put the Minecraft Joys College. Oh, damn. Well, that's pretty coolness. Dolphin, I'm gonna call you Dolphin for right now because, yeah, I can pay attention to small things. Oh god, I'm not even gonna comment on that, but small names. That's how I remember people. The simplest things. And it's like, yeah, I've seen you before. So, yeah. Get offended from that, please don't. That's all I need.
So this goes here, I think, if I remember correctly. And this goes... No, this is stone. I need gravel. Do I have any more gravel? I don't know. Let's find out. Yeah. Bye, gravel. I'm gonna use you all. Sorry.
Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z!
I freaking love Dragon Ball Z.
Even me.
Oh my god. I was like, Dragon Ball Z! It was so random.
Rock the dragon!
I was like that. Judge me. There. So I'm gonna see if I can make some cobblestone, because it's gonna be a whole bunch of colors, to be honest. But I'm being inspired by some things.
By me. You can say it.
Psh, psh.
It's okay to be inspired by me.
You wish.
Alright.
You wish. Let's see, I thought I had some... There we go.
I'm level 31, my goodness, I need to be careful.
You're level 31?
Yeah. That's why when it
I'm
goes
like
dark, I
level
want to go
23.
sleep right away.
Oh, okay, now we know.
Now we know, and knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe!
Exactly. I love G.I. Joe, oh my goodness.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Like,
5.
okay. Well, let's see.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
That is going to be a little bit different.
Alright, it's a good thing I made more.
So I'm just getting the basic layout of what I want everything to look like.
Same here. 1, 2,
Almost.
3, 4, 5.
And then this, well,
And then...
this is just gonna be awesome.
Oh, I hope I have enough. It should be enough. Let's see.
Okay, definitely not. I'm trying to add like my own little touches to like certain things because, yeah, I don't like. I'm just winging it right now, which is really bad for me because normally when I do something like that, it always ends up like a weird house. But it's okay.
Okay. Should be fine.
There we go. I can't get out now. Oh, Nikki.
Oh,
I'm just
Nikki.
like too busy building. I know, right? And then I can't even get out, and I'm just like, well, ripperoni. There we go. So let's see what everyone's saying in the chat. I'm gonna stalk you guys.
I'm gonna stalk everyone else.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's see.
Oh, that's cool, Tiff. No judgment there. No judgment whatsoever. How's your treatments going, by the way? Like, I never actually met a transgender before. I hope you don't mind me saying that. Is that, I just don't want to, like, insult you. So if I do, please let me know. I'm just very curious. Like, I never met anyone like that before. Like, in the sense of, like, doing the treatments and all that stuff, so... I don't know. Is it, like, frustrating? Is it, like, emotional? I don't know. If I'm going too far, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, but I'm very curious about it.
Alright. Looks good. Starting to look pretty good. I'm happy. Okay.
It's actually really interesting. Good, I'm proud of you, actually. Like, that's good that you want to be something you're actually... because you want. There we go. I have to get more sand. Okay, and buckets of water, because...
I don't think I have enough.
Oh my god, I got that song stuck in my head.
Alright, time to sleep.
Yeah, pretty soon we gotta go and sleep.
Should I try to enchant something while I'm level 31?
Oh gosh, darn it.
Because if I die, I'm gonna be so salty.
Are you in bed right now?
Well, I'm upstairs, but not in bed right now. I'm just looking around. Smite 4. I don't want Smite.
I was like...
Smite is lame.
Yeah, Smite's, you know. We are gonna make this the boss house.
Unbreaking.
Ever.
I don't want Unbreaking. God. Whatever. But I'm gonna have to choose. I'm gonna have to choose an enchantment because I'm gonna have to make up my mind because otherwise it's not gonna change. Is there some cooked stone already? I don't feel like making more. Is there any more stone? Please. I don't think so. No, there isn't. I took all of it. No, I took all of it. I'm so greedy.
Yeah, because we're gonna need some cooked stone. I need some too. Yeah, I'll be upstairs.
You going to bed?
Yeah, because it's nighttime and I can't really do anything. Oh gosh. Dungeons are here. Hey Games! Hey Jasmine, welcome to the stream! Yes, you do, Tiffany. That would be so awesome. I'm sorry, guys. I wasn't keeping up with the chat. I've been, like, you know, multitasking a little bit, but not as, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't be mad. I know that feeling, but I don't think I like being a girl. But, like, my family and I, we have this... Ooh, hello. Found chicka wow.
Now look at this. Look at this.
Oh, you guys have to see this. Okay.
Look at this.
Oh, the chat's blocking it, so I'll just... Okay. So when he bends over, take off your pants. Take them off.
Hold on. Hold on.
Bend over. He has a poo stain right now. And it's like a dookie, like right exactly in the butthole area. Like, it's like one little square block right near the butthole.
Okay, sleep now.
And it has to be brown.
Sleep now. Alright, no.
It was funny.
And then, yeah. And then...
Oh yes, yes, give it to me. Oh yes, all over me.
Nikki, behave.
Oh, you should hear
so
Nick
bad.
now. It's so funny.
Oh man.
You know you guys like it.
You know you guys. I don't. I was just kidding. I don't really like this stuff.
Wow. Okay, well. I guess Vloggy doesn't like Nikki being dirty, okay.
I like clean stuff. Alright, let's go.
Well,
just like my underpants.
Oh, well, your underpants are dirty, so clearly you like dirty. Okay, I was gonna say, am I offending you, Vloggy? Tell me, God dang it.
Alright. Almost there. Pretty soon I'm gonna need to chop down a lot of trees. Oh man, really? I don't have enough? Oh, just 3 blocks. I'm 3 blocks short.
Respect, Nick. I've seen pictures of you, like you were showing some pictures. I believe it was you. I think I was to have a daughter. I think that was one. If I like remember correctly. I was like, oh, you have a daughter, and then you're just like, yeah, and I was like, can I see a picture of her? If that sounds weird, and then you showed me, and I was like, ah. So yeah, I think that was me. That was her. Okay, so this is gonna be awesome because.
Alright, so. I don't want to say the house is taking shape, but it's not.
1, 2, I did it correct. And then...
Alright, I'm gonna chop down some trees now. I'm gonna need to chop down some trees ASAP.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to make an axe. I don't feel like doing it, but I'm gonna have to. Where are all the trees? Where are all the trees? Really?
Yeah, really.
Come on, that's greed. You only left me one.
That is not green. I took the brown wood, but the white wood should be in there.
No, I don't need white wood. I need. You don't have saplings or anything.
No.
So how are we gonna make more trees?
I have the jungle wood.
No.
Then I don't have any normal wood.
You don't have saplings. So how are we
No,
gonna
I
make
just
more
have like
trees?
the dark wood and the light wood, and then the jungle wood. That's all I have.
But all the
I don't
oak,
know.
What about all the oak trees that we had before? The saplings. Where are they?
Oh, I have oak wood right here if you need that.
Saplings?
But I don't have any samplings. No, because someone try the seed. Try the seed.
The seed.
Like the seed bins.
You're killing me.
Yeah, you still care for me.
Let me just go get an axe.
That's cool. See, I watched like West Games at like different areas, and it's like, dang it! And yeah. And sometimes it sucks because I can't really watch him, so yeah, I get upset. We're gonna try actually something. Like, I want this. We're gonna use a lot of materials, so. Oh, Nick.
Are you?
I'm a jealous person too, so.
Are you?
Yeah.
I never thought you were.
I'm gonna be totally honest, like, but then again too, it's like, yeah. If you're like, there's a difference between flirting and friendly flirting, and it's like, yeah, kidding me here? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna burn more cobblestone, so we each have some. But yeah, I do get jealous.
I'm not jealous at all.
Oh, I get jealous. I'm a jealous girl. Well, that's just bad because that's like a bad thing to have, I guess.
Well, yeah. What can you do?
Screw you!
What can you do?
You're mean to me!
I'm not mean to you. I'm being understanding.
No. It's not my fault I get jealous, it's just how I am.
Exactly.
It's just when I care so much about the person, and then it's like... And then, like, when the person's like, oh, well, you know, yeah, you're being too jealous, and then it's like the person gets jealous, and it's like, what? I don't understand, so I'm not allowed to get jealous, but you can get jealous? Like, what? That doesn't make sense. Yeah. But that's how I am. It's just when I care for someone so much, I get jealous. So, yeah. Yeah. But it has to be like a guy I like, and then I'll be like, yeah, no, you're making me jealous. Stop it. Like, I'm honest about that. At least I'm honest.
At least you're honest, I guess.
Yes.
I
When
guess.
someone purposely does that, then that's what ticks me off. Hey Fox Pokemon, welcome! Welcome to the stream! Okay, if I can't do that, dang it. That's okay. So for those who don't know, today we are actually doing a competition with Vloggy and I, where we're building, yeah, our own houses.
Yep.
So that's gonna be interesting.
Excellent.
Excellent.
What am I gonna throw away? I need to throw away some stuff. I'm so full. I'm gonna throw this away. Oh, whatever. Let's use the wood that I have for now.
So I'm gonna have to. Okay, that would explain it. And I can't get up. Now I can get up. Help! I've fallen and I can't get up.
Help me, please.
You need life alert.
Yeah.
I thought that was funny. Help me! Help me! How you can't hear me?
All right. So.
Okay, we may have to redesign this, but that's okay. We got this. Vloggy's gonna be like, God, you're awesome. I'll be like, yes. I'll be like, well, it's a tie. And they'll be like, no, there's no
It's not a tie, it's a bow tie.
Stupid. Oh my gosh, bow ties. Get me started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And for some reason, Discord keeps like, yeah, cutting out.
2,
So that's not your
3,
fault.
4, 5, 6. And I'm assuming 1, 2, 3. One, two,
Uh-oh.
3, 4.
Yeah, it's cutting out.
So I'm just counting, really. I'm just counting.
Oh, it's not your fault. I like hear robots, so whenever you're like, it's like, I'm like, oh gosh. I was like, oh gosh. Drop the bass. Really ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on that. Discovered. I like want to listen to music, but then it's like I don't because I want to talk to you, and then it's like life.
I mean, I don't mind if you want to put music on or whatever. I'm putting music on right now, so I've got music going on.
Wow, you hear that, people? I'm
5,
like
6, 7, 8, 9,
his
10,
voice
11, 12, 13, 14,
being all
15.
nice, and he's like, I'm gonna drown you out by listening to music.
No, it's really faint, the music, but it's. I forgot how much I counted. Do you remember how much I counted? 1, 2, 3,
No.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Am I
8,
distracting you?
12, 13, 14, 15. I'm pretty sure it was 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright, we're good. I need to figure out how to make black stained glass now.
Oh, ink,
More
and
ink.
then like glass.
Oh man!
Oh yeah, no problem, Tiffany. I will definitely DM you. Like, that's freaking awesome.
Let's go sleepy, sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy.
It's time to sleepy, sleepy.
Oh, you touch my sleepy la.
Oh, you touch my sleepy, sleepy.
Alright, so, where are you? Upstairs?
Cuts me off.
No, you're not.
Cuts me off every time when I want to him. God dang it. Guess he doesn't like it when Nikki's being naughty.
No. Sleepy. Sleepy now.
Okay, here, let me get a measuring stick.
Go to bed now!
No, I'm not going. Oh, just take it. Just take it. Okay, there we go.
It never gets old. It never stops being funny.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I have to do that. That's a ritual. We just gotta do it.
I'm gonna enchant my sword. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to enchant my sword. Whether I like it or not, I'm gonna have to.
no zombie.
Let's see what's the second enchantment gonna be. We'll see. 1, 2, here we go. Boom.
The Vloggy's
Just
doing that.
smite? All it gave me just smite. What the? What the bananas?
Bananas and pajamas. Dun, 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 dun,
What the
dun.
nuggets? Efficiency, efficiency, efficiency. What? Why are you not giving me good enchantments? Dang it. Flame. Finally! Flame! I need to go back to level 30 though. I'm gonna get my next enchantment is gonna be flame. Oh, fantastic. For my bow and arrow.
See, I wouldn't know about that, to be honest, Tiffany. Like, this is the first time that I actually, you know, knew about you. But then again, too, is that I don't pay attention to the chats in some channels. So, yeah, I'm actually happy you stopped by. So, thank you. My nose itches. Oh my goodness. Do you believe in love after love?
Oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna do. Ah! I just heard this the moment I stepped out. There he is. Wow! I barely made it out.
I know, that's why I took like the back route. I'm like, nope, you could die.
You son of a biscuit. Come over here, Creeper. Come on. Come on, Creeper. Come on, jump, Creeper. Creeper. Come on, you can do this. You can do the jumpy. No? You're not coming in? Oh my goodness, he's going the wrong way around. He's gonna...
Okay, I'm just making sure there's no creeper by me, because that's all I need. It's
I'm
like
gonna go get him.
creeper blows up near
with
my
my
stuff.
smite
Like,
sword. I'm gonna test my smite sword on you. Come on, Creeper.
oh yeah.
I'm gonna use my new smite sword on you. Let's see what you got. Oh! You son of a biscuit!
You son of okay. Ah, Nick. I'm back. Welcome, Peter. Welcome back.
Okay.
I gotta somehow get over here again. Talking about my best friend. Okay, so we have dark wood now. Okay, Vloggy, I'm gonna go mute for a little bit because I'm going to talk about what I'm gonna do. And I don't want you to hear.
Why not?
Because you shall never know.
You know, I could be watching your stream as well.
No, I'll be back though. I promise. I will be
back. No problem, no pressure.
Okay.
This is such a chore chasing after the squids. Look at her house overhanging over there. That's not... You lose points when you do something like that. You lose points when you do something like that. Not good. No bueno. Now she's gonna think she's gonna think that I'm spying on her house because I'm this way. I'm just chasing squids. Where'd he go? There you go. I got 7. 7 minutes is all the time I can spare to play with you. Is there a cave here somewhere? Well, kind of. Alright, do we have sand? I have 8. That's not enough. I'm just gonna pick this. I have a shovel. Why am I... I'm gonna grab one more actually. Okay, that's enough. My shovel broke and I'm not gonna bother with more. You know what I'm gonna do though? Kill another squid. She's gonna think I'm spying her house. Look, she's gonna think I'm spying on her because I'm close to her house. Like I care. Let me take this guy as well. Once I hit level 30, I'm gonna enchant and I'm gonna get flame arrows. She was looking at me. I don't know if she was suspicious. I came here for nothing because I need to smelt for the windows. Let us smelt. It's now a waiting game. I just need to wait for some glass. There's no glass here, is there? It's gonna take forever. I'm losing my patience. I don't think I have enough. Whoa. Is it like this? The recipe, I'm not so sure. Yes, it is. I'll be back. I got a text. Where's my phone?
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Okie dokie.
Too far. Getting lost.
It's going dark again. God dang it.
big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me.
Oh no. Are we gonna go to bed? Oh, she's in bed already. I can see her tag. I'm coming! We have to. Every single time. While I'm here, actually, I'm just gonna grab the glass, and with the glass, I shall make more black stained glass.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Should be enough for now.
To get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye.
Why is she fishing?
You should grow feathers and see this too.
Either way, I'm gonna start doing my gloss thingy.
When you want to get off the darkest ground,
Need to make sure I don't.
but gravity
Hold on. Oh, look at her, she's spying on my house. She's spying on my house, look at that. She left me a hole. She did a hole and she left. Haha, very funny. Very funny.
when you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.
I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now my house is starting to take shape. Alright, I don't have glass now, but I think I should be okay. For now. Let me try something. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm happy. Ah. Finished. Did I seriously run out of bone meal? Ah. Can my house be seen from this side of the house now? Am I making progress? Oh wow, bone meal, nice. Oh yes it can. You can hear me. You can hear me. You nugget. Let's go to bed. She actually got up. I wanted to see if she would actually do anything about the fact that I just went straight to bed. Oh, oh man. GG. Haha, I closed the door in your face. I don't think I'll be finishing the house today, to be honest with you. I need to get some sleep.
You going to bed?
Soon.
Okay, well, I don't want you to stay up just because, you know, to get this done, because it's going to take me a while to do the house, to be honest.
Yeah, even me.
Yeah.
But I wanna finish the structure at least. I mean, the frame of the house. We'll see. We'll see. I wanna do this.
Yes, Tiffany. True is our child. He's obsessed with blood diamonds. I don't know where we went wrong. Well, probably from Vloggy side. Wink, wink. Vloggy didn't get.
That looks like 8 blocks.
No, Vloggy's sexy voice.
My voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Your
6,
voice is
7,
sexy.
8.
You didn't believe me.
No, it's not. It's just.
Yeah, it is. I think that was like the one thing. Okay, I'm gonna be totally honest. When I was watching you stream for the Biohazard TV, I was like, I like his like personality, but then I was like, oh, I love his accent and his voice. It's so hot.
How weird is that? And I don't like my accent. I honestly don't.
Oh my gosh, you are so weird. I love your accent. In certain words, like it's so cute how you pronounce it. Yeah.
Oh, man.
And then not laugh. Don't get me started with that laugh. I love
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
it. See, we're distracting him, you guys. Compliment him some more.
Compliment me some more. I'm still hungry for compliments.
Oh god. But you're supposed to say, be gone! Be gone!
Alright, that's that. Alright, it's taking shape.
All I heard was that was sticky. I'm not even gonna comment on that.
I said
You're
it's
dirty.
taking shape.
Oh, well, all I heard was that sticky.
So that's because that's all you think about. Sticky stuff. Sticky situations.
Hey. It's Sticky Nikki, okay? It's
Sticky
Nikki. Yes. By day, she is naughty Nikki. By, hey, that's actually better. By day, she is naughty Nikki. By night, she is Sticky Nikki. Oh god, no. Oh, well, I actually just started with the YouTube Fam Jam. I think I knew Big Boss first because I actually started to watch a little bit of his streams. And then I was just like, okay. And then, yeah. And then I didn't come back, and then I was like, again, why is he showing up on my stuff? And then I started giving him a chance again, and then I watched him, and I was like, oh, he's entertaining. And then it was Pudge. I was like, oh my god, this freaking guy's amazing. And then Lord Rage and all that. So, yeah.
I've been in the YouTube gaming community for like over a year now. Maybe a year and a half, something like that.
I just started like 3 months ago.
And I only learned that recently, that you started recently. I'm like, what?
3 months ago, and I already like at frickin'
Me and let me see. Me and Wesker started streaming around the same month, probably something like that. And I remember Wesker. I think he started like a week before me or something. And I remember Wesker used to stream from his phone. He used to put the phone in front of his TV and stream like that. And we used to call them potato streams.
Potato streams.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. It came a long way.
That's true. And now, I remember when the PewDiePie thing, like that incident, and then he's like, I'm gonna do a song request that says PewDiePie! And then that's when he racked up like freaking 7K, now he's at like 9K, I believe.
He had another account. He got like 35K. He had another account. This is the account he has now is a do-over.
God dang! I did not know that. See?
Yeah.
God dang. See, I had an old account that only had like, 4,000 subscribers, but that's like nothing. But that was like mostly an art channel, and then
I have another.
I
have another channel as well called VloggyBuddy too, and has like 1,000 subs as well on it. But yeah, it's not. The content is not something I'm interested in anymore, so I just left it there to rot.
Ah. Dang. Dang. I know, I feel like reflects of what I was deleted my account, and just out of spite, because that was like the most important that time. And then, yeah. I don't know, I just feel, it feels funny to go from like being your own channel, if you know what I mean, like, you loving arts and crafts and then turning it into gaming. It's, but then again too, it's like, yeah, it's, I have to try to please like a lot of people, but to be honest, I love art, I love streaming, so why not, right?
Yeah, I guess.
But then it's just mixed content, like I have to watch on how I say things, and that's hard. It really is.
I stream whatever I feel like. If I want to stream a session cooking in the kitchen, I'm gonna do it. That's it. If I want to stream a song request, I will do it. It's just whatever I feel like, really. And that's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. That's why you don't commit to. That's why I personally don't commit to a certain genre of games. I could have just, you know, played Resident Evil only.
Pretty much
but...
me, yeah. Okay, so that's a good thing then. Okay. Because I was like, I like horror games, and then I do like magic games too. So okay, I'm in the right. Okay, we got this.
Play whatever makes you feel happy.
Play whatever. Well, Vloggy. No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
But anywho.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Well, I can't. But you know, it's because you're not like that. You're bad.
All right. So.
He doesn't like the naughty NIKKI.
No naughty. No, please. No naughties.
No naughty, okay. See?
Alright. Let's see.
Let's see, okay.
What? What's that again?
Nothing.
Seriously? Come on.
What?
You know what I'm gonna do because of what you said now? You know what I'm gonna do because of what you said? I'm gonna play some glass.
You're gonna break some glass? You're gonna break some glass?
I'm gonna play some glass.
Aww, Phantom. Well, then again, too, is that you've been here for an awful long time, and your support means a lot to me, and I appreciate it, you guys. Because you guys are freaking awesome.
Alright, so. I hope this is enough. Let's see. Ink sacks? Ink sacks. I need ink sacks. I need sacks.
Hey, I can laugh, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna say it, just for you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, NIKKI wants to,
7, 8,
but she's not
9,
going to.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Do I have enough? Yes, I do. One, 2,
Okay, so we're definitely gonna fix this part because we're gonna make it awesome. And then it's getting night, so we have to watch this now.
Time to sleepy.
Yeah, we gotta go sleepy soon.
If you had to see my house right now, you'd be like, what is he doing?
That's the same thing with me.
Is that two houses? Is he doing two houses? That's what it looks like. But it's gonna blow your mind.
Well, okay. I just gotta say this part. Cause you're blowing my mind like you're blowing my brain. Okay, we're good. That was a dirty comment.
Let's
but
go.
in song format. I had to. Okay.
I need to eat breakfast.
What? We're gonna eat sugar butt? Onwards!
You should eat sugar butts.
Oh my god, I want. If only we could do like. That's the thing that I don't get, because there is horse meat, such thing as horse meat. So like when
in my country, it's a delicacy.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. So it's like, is it weird that I think that when you when I think you when you kill horses that it should be like horse meat? Is that weird?
Yeah, no. Just like rabbits, I think they should drop meat as well. Rabbits
do drop meat. It's like miso or something.
Rabbit meat.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Aw, well, Princess, thank you again for stopping by on the stream. Thank you so much. You're awesome. And Phantom, you know, I have a good 3 hours of a lecture. I'm always gonna be here, so don't worry.
Alright, let's see. What else? What else?
Is it quiet on your end?
Quiet on my end? I haven't checked chat in a while.
Wow,
Oh,
boy.
goodness. You distract me.
I wonder why.
Yeah, it is quiet. It's been quiet for a while. It's quiet. I don't care really.
See, no wonder why they come to me. No, I'm kidding.
Oh no.
Let's look at your house. See, I was gonna do the glass ink paints too, so. Oh, I know how you're gonna do the house like that, and like, okay, yeah.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You have no idea.
You BFFs? Are you talking about True and I best friends for life? Or just best friends? Because, yeah, I think, personally, to me, I think you need to actually get to know someone a lot more to call them best friends. But yeah, True and I, Vloggy and I are good friends.
We are.
Yeah. We're good friends, but we're not like
I tell her about my secret
best
stash.
friends. Yeah.
My secret stash. Oh.
God, if you knew about my secrets, I think you would run away and you'll be like, the hell, I'm out. Deuces.
Deuces.
Like, yeah, deuces. Yeah, no problem, Princess. That'd be awesome. We can chat up a storm. That'd be great. You can also add me too if you want, so, yeah. But I hope to see more of you, Princess. You are my princess now. I shall call you.
Alright, hold on.
Princess Peach.
It's a princess. Hey, it's a princess.
Is it wrong that I actually like Daisy instead of Princess Peach?
Why would it be wrong? I
don't
like
know,
Luigi
it's like-
because he's taller.
Yeah, I like Luigi because he's cuter and just like funnier. I don't know. But then again, too, it's like I paid attention to, like, you know, yeah. I don't know, I just, instead of Mario, I like Luigi instead, so. Yeah. Gosh, my stomach is like hungry. It's like, me want some bacon!
I need to climb up there. Alright, I got some dirt to get up there. Nice. Nice.
I gotta make stone bricks.
Uh-oh.
Gotta make stone bricks. Oh. Well, bye, Princess, and I hope you have a good day. I know you're lurking, but you know what it means.
Bye, Tiffany.
Yeah. The princess
It's
is
a
lurking.
princess.
Oh, go ahead, Vloggio. It's me, Vloggio, here to save the princess. My butt hurts? What the heck were you doing with your butt? Oh, because you're sitting.
Smell the butter.
Oh my gosh. Is it weird that I actually want to purchase one of those like hemorrhoid little like those little cushion seats? I don't know, like that are shaped like donuts, just for the test of it. Like I want to feel like what it feels like, you know, to have like a donut and me sitting on a donut.
Okay.
Don't judge me. Leave me alone. Okay. I am weird. Okay, but I'm awesome weird. Maybe.
Like me. Please don't make me go down. Oh yeah, no. Alright, I got more.
Well, Vloggy, you have to go down sometimes. I mean, it works both ways.
Now then. This goes over
Hey,
here.
you should have saw that one coming. Come on.
That one
Come
goes
on.
over there. Alright, alright, alright. I got this, I got this, I got this.
Scared of Nikki.
I'm scared of Nikki.
Yes.
Alright, I'm happy
Yeah.
with the way it's turning out. Okay, now I'm gonna do something very funny.
Doing something very funny now.
Alright, good. I call this the dirt scaffolding. Dirt scaffolding. Alright, so I'm gonna have to use...
No! Sitting on a toilet.
I should...
Sitting on a toilet.
Sitting on a toilet?
Oh, so you know that song? Okay.
Of course I do. I live on the internet. Nothing gets past me.
Hi, how am I supposed to know? A cabba. Like, boo, don't you keep it clapping? Now, if I remember correctly, this should actually overcast as a shadow. So when you look at the water, it will have this. Vloggy's hearing what we're doing. It's bad.
I'm about to come check your house.
Go away.
And there's nothing you can do to stop me.
Yes. 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 I'll like send you the grossest picture that will like freak out your eyes ever.
What?
Yes, and you will die. You will die.
Let's see.
Okay, let's see. Cause every moment I spend with you is a memory creation. So what close my eyes. Okay, so we definitely have to do it in the middle. So we can look at it like 3D. Yes, this is gonna be interesting. Okay. I know how to do this, and if I did it correctly, it should turn out great. Now, of course, the colors I could use like quartz, like a nice white color.
Hey,
but...
Mary Gamer! I don't know if your comment's been there for a while. I'm not looking. Passing to say hi. I'm going to like Speed Gonzalez. Hi, and I'm going to bye. No problem. You probably left already, but thank you so much for stopping by, saying hi and bye. Now then. Is that it? Is that it? Really? Oh, nice. Ah, I see what you're doing there, game.
It's creeping me out.
Okay. Time to go down.
Gundam style.
Do I have enough? No, I don't. Ah!
Baby, come back.
Alright, no problem.
What? That is awkward.
What's awkward? What did
I
you
just
do?
planted like the freaking thing, and yeah, it didn't work out. So I'm like, god dang it.
Do we have extra sand? I don't feel like... let's see... I'm worried we might not have enough sand. I don't have sand! Ah!
Of course you don't have sand.
I have to go mine some sand. Mine.
Yeah, you gotta mine that sand, boy.
Whatever, let's go. Gonna have to do it. Oh, I don't have a shovel. I don't feel like making a shovel though.
He's a bad boy. I have a shovel if you need to borrow it.
No, I'm gonna... I'm not gonna borrow anything. If I borrow anything, I won't give it back. Because I'll break it.
I know. I know. It's funny.
I'll use it till it runs out.
I know, it's like, hey! And you're like, oh, sorry. Was I supposed to give that back? Yeah. Oh. Like, boy, what you trying to do?
I have to go get the sand over here.
Okay, so...
Wow, Windshear and True are gonna log back in. We're gonna see some serious
think
progress on the website, on the server.
I know, right? They're gonna be like, what? You guys are building houses? I'm gonna build a house. And it's like... Then we're probably gonna end up just living in our own houses, no one knows.
I'm gonna own probably like 8 houses or something, knowing me.
True, but, you know. And the funniest thing is, you guys, we are doing this all legit. We are not flying, we're not doing anything. Is Vloggy live streaming? Yes, he is, Peter. Vloggy is still live streaming. If you want to go check out Vloggy, his channel is VloggyBuddy.
Thank you. Oh,
I
you're
know.
so nice.
I know. Yeah, I know. No, I'm kidding. He's awesome, so yeah. He does a lot of Pokemon, so that's like, I believe once you get, what was it, Sun and Moon, the new one?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to
You're gonna be
like,
streaming that if you got it?
I'm gonna try to go for like a 12 hour, I don't know if I can do that, but I'll try.
There you go.
I mean, when I don't try, I end up making 12 hours. Last time we almost did. We got close to 12 hours, you and me, when we played Minecraft, so... So, you know... You know...
Oh
I
yeah.
need to throw some stuff away.
I
I don't
know.
want to throw away the seeds. Alright, time to sleepy, I think, hey? Are you home already?
I don't wanna go to sleep!
I could just easily make a command and turn it into morning, but come on, let's play it legit.
Okay, give me a second, let me just...
Okay, zombies are spawning on top of True's, not True, Cheers' barn, or whatever you want to call it. Stable. Hey, Peter! Thank you for stopping by. That means a lot.
There's a Skeletor.
Oh, no, 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 no. I'm gonna have to take them out. There's a skeleton.
There's a Skeletor that has golden boots.
Yeah.
Oh god, nope. See ya, I'm out.
Alright, no worries, no worries. I'm gonna take care of them.
Go ahead, because I can't right now. Yeah.
Oh wow, he dropped the boots actually.
Good. We have golden boots now. We can add them to like our armor tray thing.
Hold on, let's see.
Oh, now I know why the faces didn't work. So once you actually do get the faces, what happens is, yeah, if you go offline, then it just like reconnects to the default, I guess, the default profile. So your head looks weird.
Oh, what happened with... Wait a sec. What happened with the faces? Faces are fine, no?
Yours shows now because you were on, but at the time it looked, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, what... The skeleton dropped the boots, okay? And I will give you one guess what the enchantment is on those boots. It's the best enchantment you can get on the boots. What is it?
Either aqua
No?
or fire protection or something.
No, it's Feather Falling 3. It means I can
are they
take...
falling 3? That's not bad.
Yeah, but I mean, they're golden and they're like on the edge of
You can break
dying.
easily.
Yeah.
You can break easily. Feather falling is okay, but I prefer like, you know.
I prefer feather falling. Oh, we were gonna go to sleep. I forgot. I forget.
Tell Vloggy I'm. Oh, he knows, Peter, that you're at his channel.
Yeah.
He knows.
Yeah. I said hello, but
He sees you.
I see you.
He sees.
Thank you so much. Once again, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate that. Wanna sleep in our beds?
Yes, I'll go sleep in a second.
I'm gonna lock you in.
You're gonna lock me in? How dare you? This is what I have to deal with. Suck some booty. I gotta deal with him all the time. See, he's like a child. Look at this. Look at this. Surprise! Well, that was a fail, you know.
That was anticlimactic.
I'm surprised you're actually enjoying it.
What? Enjoy what? Doing this?
Yes, because normally you'll be like, oh god, no!
Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix it now. Look what I did to myself.
Exactly, you have to fix it, not me. That's your job. That's
Well,
your
you're gonna
job,
have to wait
boy.
for me now. Alright, let's go.
Oh, that's okay.
It's time to sleep. Bye.
Boy, sleepy. It's your job to do the thingy if you want. It's your turn. I worked hard.
Okay. Let's
Daddy
go. Oh, hold on.
doesn't like no snoo.
Alright, so I got. Alright. Still not enough, I think, but it's gonna have to do.
What's wrong? Okay. So now we see him over there. And now we run. Walk, work, 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 work. Na, 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 na.
I'm gonna finish this and wrap it up because I'm getting sleepy.
You getting sleepy? Yeah, I should actually take a nap before the guys are like, Mommy! I'll be like, oh god.
Mommy, chair's hitting me!
Yeah. Mommy! Chair's taking all my stuff! Behave, you two! Behave! No! What did I say? Nah!
Come on,
Really?
I
Oh
hit
my
level 30 again and I will get the flame arrow. I'm sorry, did you take down your house and start over?
No.
Yeah, you had more to your house earlier.
I
Now
want to
it's
talk
kind
about
of empty again. That's not a good sign for you.
No, it is.
It means you're not
I'm
convinced
just like,
with your. It means you're not convinced with your own structure.
Oh no, I am. I just wanted to use some of this light wool, and then or not light wool, but light stuff. And then I wanted to make it a little 3D-ish. But of course, you don't know, you don't understand. You don't understand the work of the NIKKI. Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness me.
Oh my goodness me.
Oh my goodness. Oh my damn.
Do I have to go back up again? Yeah, I think I do. Let's go back up. Let's go back up.
The Gundam style.
What am I trying to do here? What am I trying to do? I forgot. Ah,
We're gonna need to plant a lot of trees. We might actually have to just go on an adventure just for trees.
huh. Why would we have to adventure for trees though?
Because we don't really have that much trees
But we have,
sampling.
no, we have all kinds of saplings for trees.
Not that much.
Yeah, but from one you can get many.
No.
Alright,
I just...
nice. Then what?
Okay, so this is getting to be 3D, which I love.
Okay, so
It's gonna be 3D.
That
It's gonna be
is
so
happening.
awesome. It's gonna be awesome. That's all I'm saying.
My house is gonna be better.
Wow! Wow, Vloggy. I see how it is. I see how it is.
I got some wop 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 music going on right now. Wop 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 wop.
You got some whoa 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 whoa.
I made the boo boo, I think. I made the boo boo.
Caught in a bad romance. I had to. I'm just saying.
Boo -boo. I don't like boo boos.
You don't like Honey Boo Boo?
What's Honey Boo Boo?
I'm Honey Boo Boo, child. You don't like Honey Boo Boo, child?
No.
No.
No, le. In Maltese is le. No means le.
Okay, so no, okay, so in your language, what is it? Le?
No is le. L-E. Le.
Le?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Le. We got this.
You got this.
Yeah. Yeah. Dad! Okay, I was gonna say. Ah, Princess is playing Resident Evil 6, girl! And you didn't even ask me? Wow, I see how it is.
You see how it is? You see how it is? Hmm?
Exactly. Just feel me, my baby, and not call me crazy. I'm getting like all these friends requests.
Now, what do I do next? Hold on.
What do you mean, what do you do next? God, I had a little tickle in my throat.
I got an idea. I got the idea. I got the idea.
What's the idea?
What to do next?
No. Oh. I gotta see if I can find some white samplings because we got to do that. Oh my goodness me. Okay, let's see. We got mushrooms. Ooh, we got 5. 5 of these samplings. Oh dear gosh me. How much bone meal do we have? We should have a lot of bone meal. Where the hell did it all go?
I used like a whole stack.
Now we know.
And knowing is half. I was expecting you to continue this.
It's okay. I understand. Now we just have to wait for these ones to grow.
Alright, so there should be another stack though. I only used 1 stack.
Nope, they're all gone.
No,
Well,
there should be.
kids
You're
have
probably
it.
looking in the wrong.
In the seeds, it should be in the seeds.
Yeah, it was like the one above the seeds, I think. Or below the seeds.
Yeah, it's gone.
No, I only used half a stack though. I mean, I used. There was 2 stacks. I took 1. Don't make me get there. Don't make me come over.
Oh, it's in the 3rd, not the top.
Whatever. I told you somewhere there. Aha! I was right.
No,
I was right.
You said top. You said
I was
top.
right.
Nuh-uh. You said top.
Now then, what do we do next? Okay. Stop. Yeah?
Boy.
Actually, no.
So now I have to sit here and mine trees for this. This is... Yeah. You should get, like, mining points for this. Like, dang it.
Alright,
No
now
joke.
then.
Oh gosh, dang it. Stupid
So it's
trees.
2 out. Okay. I got it. So 2 out.
Wow.
It's gonna be awesome. This is gonna
Let's
be
see.
amaze balls. Oh, I almost fell.
That's okay.
1, 2. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side.
I am definitely gonna have bragging rights. So you're gonna be like,
I don't think
fine. So yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah. We're just building the house, nothing inside of it or anything except the light.
Well, whatever you want. Whatever you
Well, make it now so this way we know, right?
want. Whatever you want. Whatever you want, you'll be happy with whatever you want. I give you a little Russian accent every now and then, so you understand that I can do multiple voices.
Ooh. No, I still like your accent better. Just saying.
Okay, I made the boo-boo again.
Your accent is just way prettier.
Alright, I made
It's
the
so
boo-boo
weird,
again.
weird to call like your accent pretty. I don't know. Oh, your accent is pretty.
Alright.
What?
Because when you make boo-boo, you have to fix. When you make boo-boo.
Boo-boo. Oh, funny boo-boo, child. Okay, so hopefully I get more samplings because we need.
Ah! I fell. Sorry, I yelled.
This is.
I fell. I make fall. Yeah, looks like it. Alright, ready to go to bed? Or not. Or let's not go to bed this time.
Oh, it's up to you.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just-
morning.
Yay, that's so much better. Okay. Well, we can understand that because it's like, yeah, we're technically doing the same thing.
Alright.
Because days come and go, but my feelings for you are forever. I had to. I just had to.
Okey-dokey.
Hey, don't be dissing Papa Roach here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna take some damage here.
You're gonna
1,
take some
2,
damage?
3, 4, 5. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's see. I know pretty soon I was thinking about making some Minecraft charms probably this morning before anything.
Oh, speaking of Minecraft charms, I've been meaning to ask, I keep forgetting. Can you make
What's
me
up?
a VloggyBuddy? I'll pay you off, of course. Obviously. I was gonna say,
God
of course,
damn.
and obviously, and it's like, of yours.
Well, you know I'm gonna have to ship it to you, correct?
Of course.
Okay, so I'm gonna need your shipping information after when it's done, so yeah.
Not okay with
So you don't
that,
get freaked
actually.
out.
Not okay with you having, because you will not ship it. You will just ship yourself.
Maybe.
I'll find you in a box.
I wouldn't mind that. I'd be like, I'm here! You'd be like, oh god! Close the box! Close the box!
Ah! Ah!
Oh god! I'm here!
Okay.
Oh god.
It's
think
time to
you'd
go
be-
to bed now.
It's time to go! It's time to go to bed now! Just like the crazy eyes, and then you'll be like running around, and then be like, ah, coffee! Fire in the hole!
Fire in the
And
hole.
then you throw coffee at me. How to tame a wild Nikki? Throw coffee at her.
How do you tame a Vloggy? I don't know how you tame a Vloggy. I don't know how to tame a Vloggy. How would one tame a Vloggy? Interesting. I don't know.
Well, some scotch. That's for
Oh, it's true.
bonus.
Yeah, that's right. Exactly. You win.
And some dance music with like awesome, like, you know, a dance floor and shaganikis and good music and all that dance music. like, you know, good
like
beat music. Exactly, and just partying.
Alright,
that's how you tame a wild Vloggy.
A wild Vloggy appeared.
Yes, exactly. It's a legendary Vloggy! Technically, I would consider you being like Jigglypuff. I hate to admit it, but you like music, so...
What?
Yeah.
Come on!
Like, it's not like an insult to you, but it's like because you like, you know, music, and Jigglypuff likes music, but then again, she gets bad when people don't like music. So.
I don't like being a Jigglypuff. It's pink and very
I hate
feminine.
pink.
And fat and chubby.
Hey, hey, hey. You're not fat, you're not chubby. Just saying.
But Jigglypuff is.
Jigglypuff is not. Hey, 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 hey. You could be like a Wigglypuff. Just saying. But I'm not saying that. Like, yeah.
My self-esteem died today.
Hey, 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 hey. Don't even. I already know I'm a Charizard because I have like a really bad attitude. That's one thing that you should know about me. I have a really bad attitude.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, 10. Alright, let's do this. I'll play along. You say 10, I go 10.
Oh god, this house has gotta be awesome!
Alright.
See, he's building his mansion right now.
Okay. I know what you're doing. Let's do this. Alright.
What am I doing? I'm growing
No.
trees.
I'm talking to myself actually. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, hey!
5, 6,
Physical! What's up?
7, 8. 9,
Are you gonna
10.
be like, how come you're playing Minecraft? Why don't you play with me? Is that what you're gonna be like? Play with me, notice me, senpai. Okay. Hi! What's up? Welcome to the stream. It's about time you stopped by. I thought you'd be like streaming right now. No. Yes. Get rid of that for right now. I wonder what True's gonna be. Oh my gosh.
What?
That's gonna be. You have to make sure you put a sign that says "Do not freaking touch" because True's gonna be all over that. You know that.
All over what?
Your masterpiece, because he's gonna be like, "Oh yeah, well Vloggy is like playing around with my stuff, so I'm gonna like destroy his stuff."
You're gonna compare his creation to mine. 1, 2, 3.
No, I'm not comparing. I'm just gonna say he's gonna come up to you and probably destroy a little bit of your house because,
8,
you know, with sugar butt and all that.
9, 10. But still, I mean, his structure was hideous. It begs to be removed.
Oh god. Oh,
my structure took a lot of effort. Alright, more wood please.
Oh, well, I'm good.
Sometimes I like to take a step back from my... Sorry, I interrupted you.
Oh, no. Hey, I've been interrupting you a lot too, so don't even. I'm fine with it. Trust me. But, yeah, I've been actually playing with Vloggy, and we're on a Minecraft competition, so we're designing houses right now. And yeah, we're not using any cheats or anything else.
Everything is on survival. This whole world is.
Yeah. I have to do like a couple of streams today. I have Truce and hopefully Cheers. And then I have a art stream that I gotta do, and I'll probably do some Minecraft charms. I'm hoping that they don't do like what they did last time to me, like when it came to the expo. They're like, oh yeah, you got into the expo. I'm like, are you kidding me? And it's like 2 months before the expo. It was bad. Months to prepare almost.
Oh, my back. Sometimes I like to take a
my-
step back from my building just to admire it from afar.
Oh, that's what I do sometimes.
I have to do it most of the time. It looks good. It looks really good, my goodness. Wow. If I do say so myself. Oh, an apple dropped. Time to pick it up.
To be honest, Nicole, I mean, yeah, I can do a lot of streams. I rarely sleep. Like, I'm a vampire. I don't know, I just don't like sleeping. That's so bad, but yeah.
Okay, this is your house?
I don't know. What? Yeah,
Yes.
it's getting there. Why?
This?
Yeah, why?
You got nothing.
Are you really gonna mock me?
You
Get
got
the hell out of
nothing.
here, boy.
You got
hell
nothing. You got
hell
nothing. Look at mine.
I'm so not
Mine
that.
is almost habitable. You can live in it already, mine.
Yeah, just because mine's like that, okay. But then again, too, is that you stole a lot of the wood, so don't even. And yours
Stole a
is
lot
like
of
a
the wood.
square.
Stole a lot
Yours
of
is
the
like
wood.
a big.
What are you talking about?
Look at your square. Look at your square.
What square?
I'm looking at your square.
Yeah, my building. That's gonna be. I'm not gonna tell you yet. Yes, that's supposed to look like a square, exactly. But
They look like boobs. Just saying.
yeah, exactly. Boobs are awesome. Duh. Boobs are awesome.
Are you sure you like boobs? Are you sure you like boobs?
I'm actually a boob guy. Like some people like the butt.
Well, I got both, so I'm good.
You should have both. I
Okay,
hope you have
well,
both.
No, like, I mean, I got, like, the freaking whole big junk in the trunk, like, in the front and the back. So, yeah. I was gifted. Let's just say that.
Like the X-Men. The gifted.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly.
Gifted youngsters.
Yes.
Alright.
Oh, don't you say anything media about that. Don't you dare. I know you're gonna say something pervy about that.
What? No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Suki Suki. Well, I'm not showing you because I don't need pictures and stuff to prove that, boy. Besides, I'm not that type of girl to like send photos. Like, I don't get how girls can just like, you know, show themselves like that, if you know what I mean. Is that bad of me to ever
No,
think that? I
don't
just
know
think
about
that
these
if you're
things.
gonna...
I don't know anything about these things.
Well, okay. If you got like a picture of a random like boob picture, how would you feel?
I don't know.
Isn't that kind of like weird, especially like over the internet? It's like,
Never happened to me. So
yeah, you're gonna send... Oh, goddamn. I don't know, if like... Because I know like a couple girls like that just send pictures like that, and I'm just like, how can you do that? They're like, well, it's just a picture. I was like, yeah, but have some class with that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's okay to like tease a guy if you're dirty talking and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, teasing. But to send a picture, I just think that your body is for someone that you actually really like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Weird. I'm too modest, I guess.
No. There's no such thing as too modest.
Yeah, I'm too modest.
What did I just say?
Too modest.
There's no such thing as too modest.
Wow, put a bow on my boobs. There, I have some class. Yeah, that is not. That's just like, don't even get me started. I can do that. Okay, if you do that for your, that's more like I guess like an anniversary kind of gift. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, unwrap me. That's yeah. But if you just do that, I don't know. Da,
Now then, what next?
What?
Trying to figure out what to do next. Let's see.
Are you getting tired? Because I know you have to go to bed soon.
I am so tired.
Go to bed.
Hold on.
Because I don't want you to risk your sleep over this. Because you have to work and everything else.
Alright,
Like,
so...
you probably don't like getting be told what to do, but hey, you told me to get some sleep and I'm caring about your well-being.
You're so sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna go soon. 10 more minutes.
Vloggy, I know how that is. 10 more minutes. Oh god, okay, yeah.
10 more minutes.
Just give me another 10 more minutes. And then 2 hours go by and it's like... You promise you'll go to bed in like 2 more hours? Or not 2 more hours, 10 more minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes to go.
Okay. Okay. So what's up with you, media? What is up with you? Besides, you know, doing all that stuff. Doing the daily life of the streamer. You know.
Stuff is good.
Life is good, life is good, life is great. It's actually good, we got some nice light wood. That should be good. How are you sad? I don't understand that.
My axe is going rip
How are
very
you-
soon.
Is it gonna rip
Yep.
soon?
Rip GG.
You shouldn't be sad. I don't know. But, you know, we got some good skills there, you know. Okay, I just need to do one more. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's a little too big, so we're gonna have to cut that down just a bit. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that now. Oh, I'm just wondering why you're, like, you know, upset. Why, like, yeah. Is that wrong for me to wonder why you're upset?
So,
You're tired? You want me to come to bed with you?
okay, that's the middle. Okay, good.
Sorry. What?
Now I'm trying to find the middle. Because of OCD and stuff.
Yeah. It should have been cut off right there. So we
There we
definitely
go.
have to...
What next?
I love God so much. The taste of it. The smell of it.
The texture.
Texture.
Alright, right, we have to find the middle of
Oh,
this.
that never gets old.
Alright, let's go find the middle of this window.
So that's what I'm doing right now.
1, 2,
I'm finding the
3,
middle.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means 1, 2, 3. No! Oh, I thought I was gonna fall.
You're fine. You're not gonna fall. Oh God!
This is
Maybe
the
I
middle.
might fall.
This is the middle. Nice.
Okay. There we go. So I just need to do a couple more and we shall be good. We shall be golden. I love girls so much. Pretty friggity do.
I didn't see this coming. I thought we were gonna go adventuring today. I didn't see we were gonna end. Well, actually, I came inspired to build. So.
But it's kind of funny how we both actually had the urge to, like, wanting to build something. So that's kind of creepy at
What
the same time.
inspires you to build?
Honestly, like, okay, this is what happened. So I was like, huh, like, I was gonna play some Resident Evil 6, but then I thought to myself, you know what, I don't feel like it. But then I was like, oh my god, I really want to buy, like, make a house. Oh my gosh. And then Vloggy would be like, god dang, like, I wanted to work on, like, the family house, but then I was like, maybe I shouldn't. But then I was like, I'm gonna come online, and then True was on, he's like, hi, and I was like, oh shit, I better check everything. And then, yeah. And then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna build a house. And then you come on, I'm like, wait, what the hell are you doing? I literally said that. And then you're like, oh yeah, I just feel like I'm, like, in an inspired mood. And I was like, that's kind of creepy, because so was I. You know what I'm saying? So that was kind of weird.
Not good one.
Yeah, like, I needed to, like, frickin' do something, and I wanted to build, had that urge. You had that urge, and it's like, okay, that's creepy.
It's the urge.
Yep.
But I mean, is there something particular that, like, inspires you to start building a house?
No. See, that's the thing about my mind, is it's the same with art. So whenever I have, like, an idea in my head, I have to build it. Because if I don't, it's always going to be on my mind, and that's what's going to, like, cause me not to sleep, or it's, yeah. It's so weird. Like, I have to do it. Like, when it's in my head, like, an idea, I have to do it. If not, then it frustrates me. Let's just say that.
Okay. I just start looking at designs and stuff for houses and whatever, and I'm like, oh, that is such a nice design. I could do this with that design, and I could do that. And, like, I want to do it now. And that's it, pretty much. So basically, other creations inspire me. I'm looking at something, I'm like, oh, I want to do something like that.
Oh, see, I used to be like that until it was like, nope.
Alright.
Okay, I gotta pay attention to the chat because I'm not even paying attention to the chat, which is really bad. Yeah. Make it sound worse? How do I make it sound worse? What are you talking about? I don't understand. Why?
I'm gonna have to call it. I'm not gonna go look for more wood, so that's gonna be it for now.
Okay,
I think I did some very good progress. I think I did some very good progress. I'll come back again later today, and I'll finish this.
Fun your stuff, you know, to mock it. You know, screw you.
I'm gonna do this, but not today. Look at that.
Alright,
It's
well,
gorgeous.
it was nice hanging out with you, as always.
How long have I been streaming? I have no idea. How long have I been playing? I say how long I've been streaming, but I mean playing, really.
I think I've been, hold on, hala.
Let me just check OBS, it will tell me.
I don't know why it doesn't show. That's what I was gonna check
3 hours
OBS,
21.
but it's not coming
Wow.
up, so. Oh, there you go. See, I've been actually, 3 hours and 14 minutes.
Ouch,
I've been streaming.
that's a lot.
But then add on like an hour and a half to 2 hours because I was streaming before you.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's right. Alright, I'm very satisfied the way my house looks, so...
Ow.
Got a lot of work to do, but... I'm gonna go home in a safe spot.
I'm gonna trash your house. I'm kidding. I will not do that to you. That's yeah. I'm not like. I will never do that to you. Just saying.
I'm off.
But
yeah.
But if something happens to your house, that was not me. That's all I'm saying. And I can record it.
Nothing's gonna happen to my house. Nobody's gonna do anything.
Yeah,
That's the reason why I invite you guys, because I trust you, as if. Alright. I'm gonna go sleep. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and thank you everyone that dropped by and chat and hang out with me and kept me company. And thank you, was that CW? Yeah, CW for the raid. I appreciate that. And I'm off. I'll see you next time. Ciao!